Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 473. New Ethereum all-time high and alts pumping. Now, if you're catching the stream live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're willing to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and the bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on just chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. You can also join me on Twitter. Thank you all for being here. Gonna start doing this. What's up, guys? Korean Batsasai first. Awesome. Thank you for being here and much appreciated. Coin25, thanks for being here. Joel Jiro, thank you for being here. Who else, man? Young Kangi, thank you for being here. Dynamic Motorsport Experience in the house. Todd Pure Point, thanks for being here. Good Sunday to everyone. Yes. All-time highs? Yes, for Ethereum, right? And a couple of coins are also doing good. Yeah, everyone's waiting for me to come on, dude. I'm sorry, dude. I had a little pre-emergency prior to the stream starting. My wife hurt her hand. I was trying to see if she was okay and whether or not she needed to go to the hospital, but apparently she's fine. She's going to tell me if she needs something, but so far that's what's up, right? Let's see what else, man. Buckethead Gaming, thanks for being here. Who else now? Jake's in the house. Thanks for being here, Jake. Dude. Firebeard. Henry, thanks for being here. Jeffrey Elmore, thanks, man. I ignore all the requests. Watching home, greetings. How's it going, dude? Thanks for being here from Twitch. The Ferrari hat, yeah. What's up, Bernardo? Thanks for being here, man. NBA Top Shot? Nope, sorry, man. Not that. DT ramp up. Killed it today. Yeah, it was pretty good ramp up, right? Elio, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. Right, let's roll. A lot of people saying something, but yeah, apparently everything's good. I'm not sure if she's gonna be to go to the hospital yet or not. She said she's fine, but like her finger's really swollen and she couldn't move it earlier. But yeah, told her to go to the hospital. See if she wanted to go to the hospital, but we don't know yet. Dorvalis, yes, I can see your messages. Thanks for being here, man. I can see them on YouTube. They're not coming out on this other thing yet, so we'll see. Yep, there it is. Awesome. Everyone's here. Thanks, everyone, for being here and joining me tonight for this awesome Sunday night. Let's jump onto the crypto. There's a lot of coins already queued up. Todd, I saw your request, man. I was already setting up. I'll try to. I'll fit them in a little bit. I'll fit one of the coins that you requested in on the pre-stream requests. We're gonna have to like figure out a cutoff time for pre-stream requests. So I'll just do near, I guess. You requested near CRV or ICX, or near and CRV. That's it. Right. I'll put them on the list real quick. So they're gonna show up here on top real quick. There we go. Awesome. Let's get on to the technicals. What is happening with the market tonight? Well, market cap seems to want to recover pre-Monday, or starting today, Monday, this new green candle that we're doing here. We still have 20 hours and 43 minutes to go, which again, should be okay. Let me know if the music volume is fine. I hope everything's coming out fine here on the mixer. And if it's too loud, let me know. I'm trying to catch myself here also on the replay. I just lowered it a little bit more. That way it's not going to be too loud. I'm fighting over my voice. But we'll see. Excellent. I'm not sure, Jake. We'll figure it out, man. Yeah, maybe like 5 to 10 minutes prior to the stream. Right. Awesome. I'll turn it up a little bit more then, I guess. That's fine. Let's keep rolling. Sure, I have the chat here, and that's everything. Great. Right, so we had this hidden bullish divergence. We're waiting for that action to the upside. I was a little bit worried we're not going to get it. We're rejecting the 20. We're still rejecting the 20 in market cap on the daily, but at least it's going up. Remember, I told you guys below below a trillion now. It's a little bit worrisome. Not super worried, but a little bit more worried than you know. I would like it to be above a trillion, right? It would be much stronger if we're up there. Losing that area doesn't feel so good, right? So that's it for market cap. We're not doing anything bearish right now. We're just neutral at 55.64 on the RSI. Bitcoin, where's it at? Bitcoin dominance at 62.84% of market cap. Bitcoin is losing dominance, thus alts are pumping. Remember, we wanted Bitcoin to move sideways for alts to be able to run. That is precisely what's happening. So yesterday, Bitcoin managed to lose 2.08%. Today, it's also losing 0.32%, which is fine. It's still doing positive price action today. CME futures, where did they open? We actually managed to open at 32,775. A little bit lower than that. Yeah, sorry, a little bit lower. 32,300. We're moving up. It's still red because we gapped down on the opening. We have to reach 33,580 to get up to this level and close that gap. So that's a potential target. It's also very, very close to where the 20 moving average is at right now. That 20 moving average sitting at 33,406. So that's it for Bitcoin futures, right, on the CME. Let's go check out the price of Bitcoin. $30,679.93. Is it doing something? No, it's still rejecting this zone. Almost spot on. Sorry, I moved something. There we go. Almost spot on that rejection, right? I don't like that. I would really, really love it for Bitcoin to be a little bit more bullish and get above that 33,300 area and get back on this channel, or even better, get above that 34,400 area and above that channel. But yesterday we rejected very close to that target. The high was 33,075. We had a rejection zone at 33,090. And today we're rejecting at 33,000, almost on the dot. That's the highest point it's made. Still positive. Again, hidden bullish divergence on the daily. Nothing else happening on the daily. Neutral at 49.99 on the RSI. I'm going to bring out the Bollinger Bands again and go to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, the last Hallow, it rejected 33K and hard, right? So there's already a request coming up here. FTM, awesome. I'll update the list in a second, right? There we go. So if you guys like what we do, hit the like button on the sub again. Thank you all for being here. I really hope we're able to get to 2K tonight. We're at 1,900 and change, but so I'm not sure if we're gonna get to that target. It's a pretty high target, I guess. Like, we need about 100 subs. I'm not sure we're gonna get them tonight. Let's keep rolling. On the 4-hour, right? Again, same rejection that we were talking about. That's fine. We're still making lower highs than the previous high. Not liking it. We had the cross, and I told you guys I don't like the way this cross is looking, right? The way it just started to fall down below the 20. It wasn't too good. Rejected again yesterday, you know. Finally managed to get above it briefly today, or tomorrow, or yesterday, briefly above, which was fine. But we lost it. Briefly lost 31,432. I didn't like that at all. I do have alerts set up there. That'll be an area that I don't want to see Bitcoin losing. But, you know, we managed to recover a little bit, which was fine. We don't have anything here that is bearish. We did create some hidden bearish, sorry, on the 4-hour. Made it here, and then we went slightly higher within the same RSI island, right? So this is going to be here on the 4-hour chart, and let's keep rolling here. Here went slightly higher, right? So slightly more positive momentum. We don't have this against the RSI. We're coming lower every time. So that's fine, but against the MACD, we did create that hidden bearish. We pumped back down. We don't have anything here that is bullish. Maybe in the 1-hour, we might have some hidden bullish, and that's what I would be trying to see. Again, bouncing, not finding anything here. Let's see if the 1-hour has something. We're neutral at 48.48 on the RSI. We did get to that overbought area. Now we're trying to bounce a little bit. All right, so that's fine. Let's see if we can get, sorry, oversold area. Let's see if we can get back to this overbought area up here. Let's go to the 1-hour Bitcoin. Or actually, before I move there, let's see where we're at with regards to the phone. Sure, there's an ambulance going to drive by. So trying to time it so I can mute the mic. Alex Millero's in the house. Dude, thanks for being here. Much appreciated, dude. Av is making non-stop gains. Dude, you're awesome. I'm going to put Av on the list. Has not been requested yet, I think. No one's requested Ava yet. Bernardo just requested it also. Yeah, thanks guys for that. Let's keep rolling. Near 2K subs, dude. Yes, that's gonna be good. Bitcoin again, potential falling wedge. That's fine. That just means Bitcoin is probably still out of the triangle that we were waiting for Bitcoin to be in. Yeah, still outside. Trying to get that 20. Again, change thoughts from triangle to maybe falling wedge. That's what I will be looking to see here. Ren. Yes, sure, why not? I think Ren was already on the list. Yeah, it's already on the list. So just remember, guys, there's a list that is scrolling through the top of the stream somewhere over there. And it has all the coins that are queued already. So you can keep track of what we're looking at. Thanks, Alex. Appreciate that, man. And Nick, yeah, I do believe that's still the case, right? We know that there's other groups that are also going to start buying. So it could still be the case that corporations are still buying more than retail. Right. Haven't looked at the numbers lately, but until the last report I had, I think it was some other major group that was also going to step into this playing field. So it's going to bring more people buying, or more retail buy, or more, institutional buying. So let's keep rolling. Let's see what else, dudes. Anyways, that's it for this in the 4 hour. Let's go back here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and see where we're at, man. Anyways, hidden bearish, right? Move down on that. So yesterday we already warned about the hidden bearish. That was fine. And within the short term, we might have created some strong bearish. I'm not sure. Let's see. Seems like we're going flat here on the price. I'm just gonna call it sideways motion here, and we're going from higher point to a lower point, right? And on that, we would be creating medium bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. Right, that's it. Low, lower, right? We're looking for that bounce in the 4 hour. We weren't able to find anything there. Remember, we were trying to determine why Bitcoin was bouncing below this area that was resistance. I'm sorry, guys, I forgot the anchor here. Do that real quick. I like the new mouse. It's very smooth. I'm still not used to how fast it runs. So I think I'm gonna have to change the DPI for it. And we're coming from negative to less negative, right? So we have this strong bullish. I'm gonna ignore this small island here on account that is tiny, and I'm just gonna go from negative to less negative, right? And in that we're creating this bearish divergence. Sorry, this hidden bullish, this strong bullish divergence fraction to the upside. Sorry, I got twisted there. Dudes. Anyways, let's zoom in here real quick. Are we still moving sideways here on the price? That's what I want to see. What is this? Oh, closing here. 32,882. Here we open at 32,883. So slightly higher. I'm just gonna give it sideways motion here, and we are going slightly higher, which is fine. And here we're also going slightly higher, which is fine. Nothing bearish there. Making sure everything's up to date here. What's up, Viral Video? How's it doing, dude? How are you doing? No, you haven't missed Ethereum yet. Let's keep going here. Right. So, that's it for Bitcoin right now. Neutral at 6.90. If we move down here, we might retest at 20, which again wouldn't be bad. Starting to move up. We had a very nice run. Went down slightly. Let's see if we can retest 33,090, right? Let's see if Bitcoin can get above this area. I'm actually gonna go to the half hour before I move on to Ethereum. I'm curious to see if we had anything here that is bearish. All right, seems like, yes, it does have hidden bearish on the half hour, and it could be part of the reason that it's starting to move down, right? High to lower high. And we're going low to high, right? On the MACD and the RSI. And on that, I would be looking for that hidden divergence in bearish for price action to a downside action, or at least stalling to happen. Yeah, we're moving down a little bit. Again, not the end of the world right now, but it is what's moving Bitcoin down right now. Let's go to Ethereum and see what's going on there on the daily. Oh, today's Sunday. We actually closed the week on Bitcoin. Let me do the weekly on Bitcoin. We haven't done that. Weekly on Bitcoin. Let's find a chart that is not so cluttered like this one. So it kind of works. We did a massive red week last week, right? 9.86% to the downside. Prior week, 6% to the downside. This week starting to open green. Let's see if we can continue with that. Again, potential falling wedge happening, right? Let's see if that plays out. Breaking that falling wedge would be bullish to the upside. Usually falling wedges break to the upside. So let's see if we can have that. What's that? So let's check out Ethereum and see what's going on. So I see a question there, whether or not I believe it's going to correct. I don't know. I haven't looked at Ethereum today. I opened the chart pre-stream and saw that it was at all-time high. So yeah, I wasn't looking at the charts very much today. It's Sunday. I tend to at least not get too much into the markets on Sundays, unless something's crazy is going on. But you know, try to be with the family most of the day. And thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button, sub. High, higher, high, low, right? So again, it's not yet making a new positive momentum island, but right now we'll be going from a high to a higher high in Ethereum, right? Which again would be okay. And we're anchoring from positive to negative. So I'm seeing this as bearish divergence strong right now. But I'm waiting for an actual green positive momentum island to start building before I actually consider anchoring to there. And once that positive momentum island starts building, we'll see how much strength it has and how high it goes to determine whether or not we're going to actually keep this strong bearish divergence. Now, what I'm seeing here, I kind of like. We closed the daily barely above target, right? Remember, guys, we wanted Ethereum to be above 1,387. And I told you guys Ethereum was actually going to perform much better if it was above 1,292. And that's something that we discussed yesterday. We had the hidden bullish divergence. It was fine. We hadn't created anything since. And something that we were discussing, and I said on the live stream, was like, dude, we want Ethereum to be above 1,292. At least it has a better shot at getting at 1,387 if it was able to sustain that area and then get above all-time highs. And that is precisely what we're getting today, which is, again, pretty tight. On the other side, we're bought at 65.93. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and see what we got there, man. Yeah. So on the 4-hour, we're retracing, right? On the 4-hour now, we are lower than the previous all-time high back here, closing. Right, this managed to open at 1,432. We're at 1,424. Still fine. We did make a higher wick, right? So that was like very good wick for Ethereum at 1,476. So again, nice. We were looking for this bearish divergence, which obviously didn't come into play. This was when we were live. We just kept on going higher, and that was fine. So very nice on Ethereum. And throughout the night, when we came to revisit and we noticed that Ethereum was running, we just didn't come into the 4-hour. I didn't come back to the 4-hour to check. But when it started to pump, and when we closed at 10 p.m. and we started up here yesterday, we already knew that, you know, this was going to be invalidated. So that's fine. High, low, positive, high, low. On the other side, on the MACD, I just got to check. High. Right, it's just moving sideways a little bit here on the MACD, right? This is 1945, and this is 1945 also. So it's moving sideways and coming in slightly lower. That's fine, nothing bearish there. Bought at 65.34. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Checking the music, for some reason it stopped. Weird. Right, so what's happening on the 1-hour? $867. $867 is moving sideways, and we have this small island here, so that's fine. On the other side, we're okay. Right, we had this bearish divergence. We tried to move down again. We created a strong bearish divergence, came down, hit near that 20. Right. Nothing wrong with that. Finding support and then pumping more. So that's great. Nothing wrong with Ethereum, right? So Ethereum doing fine, actually. Nothing, anything here that is like the strong bearish that moved us down. That's it. Low high. Held on to that support at 20. Held support at 20, then pumped more. I mean, we do have an island here. The question is going to be whether or not we want to acknowledge it as such. It's very tiny. It's just 2 bars. Yeah. I mean, do want to consider those islands to be valid. And if we do, or if we wanted to consider those islands to be valid, it'll be coming up here higher. And then here we're just moving sideways. Right? We already established that. So we're moving sideways here. And we'll be creating that weak bearish divergence, right? 9 Danke, thank you for being here. Sorry guys, I'm not looking at the chat too much. I'm trying to like see Ethereum, see if I can catch anything else that I'm missing. I mean, impulse up, consolidating right now. It's doing good in that consolidation. It actually bounced at this previous high that we had here at 1,420. That was this previous all-time high, right? The one we just broke and then fell back into, right? And then we just broke it again, and now it's actually serving as a support. So let's find we did 1, 2, 3 times. Let's see if Ethereum can actually have enough strength to hold on to this area. I'm not seeing anything here on the RSI, except the fact that we're still overbought at 70.23. I'm actually going to go to the half hour and see what we have there. Right, so those bounces that we were unable to see on the 1 hour for the pumps to happen, they're here, right? So we create a hidden bullish. And that hidden bullish divergence action to the upside again, and that's what got us to pump more. Now, something that I'm looking at here is that we don't have anything necessarily bearish on Ethereum on the half hour. Here we did have that bearish divergence that it moves us down, and that's fine. I mean, I'm not worried about this one. This one already played. I was more concerned about the short-term stuff for Ethereum. As you can tell, we're going higher. We're getting more positive momentum, right? That bar is still slightly higher. And on the RSI, we're also coming higher. We just went overbought. Right now, we're just bought at 68.17. So I'm not seeing anything bearish. This actually could just consolidate and try to go for a new pump, and that would be fine. On that new pump, we could be looking for some bearish divergence and then try to get a move into a downside. Kelsey Isaac, what's up, dude? The Quick Hand. Thanks for being here. I'm not sure, dude. I haven't looked at Maker. I'm not even sure if it's on the list already. I don't think it's on the list. You can request it. Let's keep rolling. That's Bitcoin, Ethereum done, right? I'm not gonna be removing coins off the list today. It was suggested that I should keep them on, and that way people know what's already on queue. So you're gonna see that list. It's gonna be somewhere up there on the screen. And hopefully that is going to give you an idea as to where we're at also on the requests. Yeah, I don't like Ishimoku clouds that much, dude. I'm using on my trading. Let's keep rolling. That's it for Ethereum. Let's move on to XRP, man. Ethereum gained very, very nice yesterday. We actually didn't say the percentage gains, but they were insanely good. 12.88%. Let's go check out XRP. XRP at 27.85. Failing to perform, still in a channel below 27,911, but still above 26,692. And if I just zoom in, tightness of the Bollinger Band still coming in. Again, failing to get out of this area. High, low, possible positive, high, low. Neutral at 44.41. Again, I don't have anything against XRP, it's just failing to perform. Dash to the dollar, great. That's on the list. Right, low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Is it lower or is it higher? Lower. That's fine. So nothing here. Let's see what else. Someone's saying short Ethereum. Wow, that's insane. High, low, positive, high, low. So nothing here. Low, high. Maybe we could call this one. Again, it's just when you see the tiny islands like this, it's really subjective as to whether or not you want to use them. To anchor stuff, and if you wanted to, we would be looking at bearish divergence hidden, On the 4-hour XRP chart, I mean, XRP is not the strongest looking coin right now, but I mean, I don't have anything against it. It can still pump, right? Neutral at 52.01, but I'm not sure how well it's going to sustain the pumps. That pumps it has gotten before are not really being sustained, and that's an account that has really bad. It doesn't have the best news out there, right? And it's just failing to hold on to actual supports and higher than 27,911, right? We keep on breaking below here. Even when we've gone high, we just came back to this area, right? So we're on a channel. High, low, high, low, low, high. Great. So on the 1 hour, we have this hidden bearish divergence. It might bring action to the downside. Why, XRP? Why can you not muster strength to like blow past this 27 and change area? It's not against the MACD. I was looking at it against the RSI. So I'm not sure why I drew that there, but it was from here to here, slightly higher. And we don't have anything against the MACD. It's fine. High, higher, then here, positive, more positive. So that's great. Low, high, negative, less negative. That's great, dude. Nothing else here on XRP. Just bought at 63.36 and might reject 27,911 on account that it has hidden divergence. I'm not sure if it's actually going to kick in or not, but we'll see. Pure Q. Sure, why not? What? Not sure. Jake said something needs to change to 60,000 to 120,000. What's that? Very cute. There we go. It's on the list. So I'm trying to get to a channel here on the Discord. That's where the mods give me cues when we're live. FTM. Right, so those are requests for ATM that probably went over my head, and that was prior to... Oh, I got it. Thanks. Yeah. All right, so it's on the list. I thought I missed it, but no, I didn't. Great. Let's keep going. Let's keep pumping. Hype. If you like what we do, hit the like button and the sub. So that's it for XRP. Let's move on to Litecoin and see what's up with that. Litecoin at $145.71. Let's go on the daily. Hidden bullish, getting to its previous high that we had here at $145.73. That's fine. Nothing else happening here. High, low, positive, negative, high, low. So neutral at 52.99. You remember, Litecoin really didn't have a lot going on yesterday. Last time we called was for this hidden bullish. That pump hit the 20 and rejected. We hadn't created anything since. High, low, positive was positive, high on the RSI to lower point. Neutral 56.45, so not a lot there. Let me go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour. Low, high, high, low, right? We had this bearish divergence move down, failed to go higher in the previous high. Didn't create anything here, I think. Let me actually zoom in. High, low, and then low, high, so that's fine. Then we went high, low, and then low, high, so nothing bearish. We have some hidden bearish against the RSI. So going slightly higher on the RSI and coming in a little bit lower against the price, right? Like that. So high to low, low to high. Hidden bearish, moving down again. And do we create something here that is bullish? And I'm not seeing anything bullish here for this, man. Low, slightly lower, and then lower still. So I'm not going to call anything bullish for this. Maybe we have some hidden bullish, right? You got to zoom in a little bit more. At this point back here, it's very slightly higher, yeah. I can go with some hidden bullish here. It's just tiny though. It's almost non-existent, but it's there. And from here to here. Drop slightly more, it's fine. Low, lower, negative, more, negative, low, lower. Taking a pump, great. We might have something on the half hour here that is bullish. Look at that bullish divergence, strong. again, when we're not finding stuff on the 1 hour, we got to go into the half hour, because for some reason it's all showing up there right now, right? Again, it used to be that before we could find stuff on the 1 hour. Right now, we really got to go down a little bit more lower, right? What's going on here? What's up, Dolby? The Fiat hat on? Yeah. What's up with Hodor? I'm not sure. People are saying Hodor in the chat. Yep. What's going on here, dude? Short-term Litecoin, again, strong bullish, took that nice pump, and now it's creating this a strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside against the MACD and the RSI. Yes, I got the Fiat hat on. I've been wearing this hat all day, actually. Bitcoin pumping right now. Well, let's go see, man. Great, it's moving above the 33,000 mark, which was below earlier. Again, half hour, we had this divergence. We said we could be flagging, right? And that's what we called in the 1 hour. We said potential flag formation on the half hour. We said, look, it could be a potential flag. And it was actually down here, slightly lower. And now we're getting that new pump coming in, so that's fine. Yeah, let's see. Yep, let's see if we can get above targets, right? It needs to get above 33,309. And actually, it'll be much stronger if it's above 34,438. So that's the actual target that I want to see for Bitcoin. And as we stated on Bitcoin earlier, we could be on a potential falling wedge, which would be fine. If I go to the triangle, I'm almost sure that we're still going to be outside of that triangle. So it doesn't matter the triangle, I guess. And probably the formation that we're looking at is this potential falling wedge. We get above the 34,200 area. That's a fib node, right? At the 236. And that's why I said it's important for Bitcoin to get above that 34,400 area. It has a better chance of holding on support and trying to go higher. So let's go to Binance, which is where we're at before we abruptly came to Bitcoin to check it out. Binance hitting bullish, pumping great, not doing anything else. Neutral at 56.32. Let's go to the 4 hour. We got above the 20 on the daily, that's it. So we had that strong bullish divergence action to the upside. We're still running to the upside, that's fine. High, low, positive is positive. High on the other side to lower point. Nothing here. Neutral at 57.89. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. See what's going on there. Curly Zoo, I'm not sure. The bot just, I guess if you put a lot of emojis, might just delete your message or something. I'm not sure. The Nightbot is crazy, dude. Keeps the channel running though. Again, with the help of the mods and the spam bot, it really keeps the channel running. Binance, last thing we called was for bearish divergence. We moved down on that. We hadn't created anything bullish. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on our side, lower point. Are we creating something back here though? I doubt it. Doesn't look like we're really creating anything bullish. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI. I'm not seeing anything here that is necessarily bullish. I'm looking for bearishness now. Low, high, negative, positive, more positive. And then here, I think we're going slightly higher. I'm actually going to zoom in here. Slightly higher, yeah. Nothing bearish. Great. It's just pumping, I guess. Let's see how it's going to keep on going with this. Bought at 68.10. Let's go to the half hour real quick. We might have something. Low, high, positive, more positive. High, slightly higher here. Let me check. 70.77, and this should be around 71. Yeah, 71. So slightly higher, nothing bearish. Low, high, negative, also less negative. Short term, yes, here we have something on the half hour. Some strong bullish divergence for the action to the upside. Again, you know, it looks like it's following a little bit of the rest of the market, right? So it doesn't look like it's doing its own thing right now. $42.68. That's it for Binance. So I'm gonna go up next. RSR, DVT, REN, the graph, and Theta. After Theta, I'll do a small recap. All right, we'll be recapping Bitcoin and Ethereum. Thank you guys for being here and being awesome supporters of this channel and joining this awesome community, guys. I really appreciate everyone. Come on, hit them likes. We're only at 55 likes, and we have about 165 people in the house. Thank you for being here again. Hit the like button, sub. Checking something out real quick, and seeing actually has low I speak, and I'm still being picked up by my mic, which is good. I was a little bit worried about that. And then the clicks. Are not being picked up with the mic that much, so that's good. Great, awesome. Yeah, someone queued Theta, so Theta's at 10. So yeah, we're gonna start doing those. Proc Jack, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. So let's start with RSR. 3.9. Again, not too bad. How's it going to daily, dude? Where is it at? Still trying to get above. It's 282, which is fine. Hidden bullish, hasn't created anything since. Neutral at 54.84. Let's go to the 1 hour chart for this. High, low, positive, less positive, high, low. Neutral at 50.21. So again, not really doing a lot. Last time we had was this hidden bullish. We dropped lower. We didn't create anything to then. You know, we're just going with the flow. We were talking about trying to regain that 4 cent area. I think yesterday we were regaining it or close to it when we were live. So we rejected that zone, right? We rejected a fib node. Then here we can see that we rejected that 50% fib node and came back down to find support at the 236, and now we're above the 382, which is fine. So high, higher, high, low, and we created some bearish divergence here by early in the morning. So from here to here, we went slightly higher. This is the half hour. There we go. Then we went from here to here, and also from here to here, right, slightly lower. So strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside we moved down. Did we go lower? Yes, low, lower, low, negative, more negative. Low on there, side to lower point. Nothing bullish here. Taking a small pump. From back here. From back here, we might have some hidden bullish. Right here, and from here to here. Great. Hidden bullish divergence, actually the upside, getting above that 50, high, low, positive, negative, high, low. Nothing bearish right now. But again, below the 20, right? We hit it, reject it. We're also below a fib node, the 382. Let's see if we can manage to get above this area. I'm not sure if it's going to have enough strength right now to run. It does have hidden bullish. Let's see if it's actually going to materialize into a potential pump for RSR. So again, at 3.9 cents. Let's go check out DVT, because DVT pump insane today, all right? Again, guys, if you're not into DVT, you should go check it out. Did it drop a little bit? Am I getting this data right? No, here we go. Right, look at this. Y'all remember we gave away some DVT the other day for a stream? It was like 500,000 DVTs, right? Let's see how much it was worth. At that time, it was around $500, and now it's 1,120 apparently. We gave the equivalent of $1,120 a couple days ago here at the State of Crypto, right? Someone's requesting keep. Awesome, dude. Thanks for that. I don't think it's on the list. So it's at DVT current price. So what I'm gonna go check is the chart for DVT. You're gonna see it black right now. I did log into South Exchange. I want to see some things, and I had to actually log into my account. So great. I think you can actually see the order book here, which is really good. I'm not sure if you guys got into this, but some of you guys got into this. So if you did, congrats. you're doing good. Sitting at 6 sats. When we were looking at this yesterday, or a couple days ago, right? This was the 23rd. So yesterday at 9 in the morning, you could have gotten at 3.4 sats. It's almost doubling value. So, you know, depending on when you got in. And then yesterday night when we were doing the stream, I think it might have been somewhere around this area, right? Yeah, this area here. 5.4 maybe, I'm not sure. No, that would be yesterday, yeah, around the stream time. It's around that 5.3 and, you know, still took a nice pump. It went all the way up to 8 point something, dude. 8.1. Those were very, very nice pump on DBT, and it's been going up. You guys could have gotten into this a couple days ago, right? When we were talking about it on, look, even on the January the 2nd, it was around like 1.6 sats. So it's just been going insanely high. It's a project that we've been talking about a lot here on the channel. Right now, moving down a little bit, that's fine. With the news that are coming out and what's happening with them in tugs, it's actually, you know, helping it. It's helping it pump a lot. And once it goes, what?
Can you go over BTC? Also, what are some key levels you're looking for? Upside action / downside action.
Yo, John Smith, thank you very much for the awesome tip, bro. I really appreciate that. Yeah, thanks for that, man. Yeah, I'll check out DVT, dude. Sorry, not DVT, Bitcoin, dude. As soon as I finish with DVT. Yeah, for sure. Thanks for the awesome tip, man. I really, really appreciate that. So let's keep checking it. Let me bring out some indicators out here, the MACD and the RSI. Right on. So let's see. What do we do here, man? Right, so from way back here, right? We're coming from high to a higher high. That's fine. And we're coming from a high point to a lower point, right? So we had some strong bearish divergence. Actually, the downside, that's fine. We don't have it against the MACD, just against the RSI. And even the action that we're getting, it's not super strong right now. We're just barely starting to feel it, right? It's like it really wants to recover, and it looks like it wants to go higher. I'm not seeing anything here that is bearish. If anything, we create some hidden bullish, right? And that would be from here to here. And from here to here, right? So we're looking at that hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, and that's precisely what we got, right? So again, not a lot. Yeah, it does have strong bearish. I'm not sure how much I would rely on this one. This one's 100%. Or sorry, no, it's actually 80. It's 80 now. I thought it was about 100%, but no, it's in the 80. It's fine. If it was in the 100% area, I would say I'm not sure how reliable it's going to be. It's like 100% overbought. Right now, it's still overbought. Or sorry, it's neutral at 58.33, so that's pretty good. Bitcoin pumping. Yeah, we're going to go back to it in a second. Luis Rosette. Joao Lima, thank you for being here. Right, I'm actually going to recap Bitcoin right after this, man. We've already established that it was going to pump, and it was doing a flag, and those potential fractions to the upside, you know. What do you want to see, the pump? I mean, it's going up, you know. We already covered Bitcoin. That was the first coin we did. We actually always come in here and do Bitcoin first, man. So right now, actually cover other projects. I already went back to Bitcoin once. I'm going to go back to Bitcoin again in a second. I'm not worried about the pump. We need to get above 34,400 for it to like be able to hold a good level. I already established that earlier also, man. High, higher, positive, more positive. High, lower here. So again, some potential strong bearish divergence. Again, I'm not going to put a lot of stock on this one because it's really far back, but it could definitely put some pressure on the price of the vault to start coming down a little bit. So let's get rid of this again. Overbought at 76.83 on the RSI right now on the 4 hour. And I'm not saying anything. That's the only thing that we have. Like the bullishness, it's already playing out. So it's good. Let's go on the daily. The daily's going to look beautiful. It's not loading the daily, man. Let's go to the 1 hour again. And now let's go to the daily and see if it actually loads. There we go. So I guess it didn't load the 4 hour, or did it load the 4 hour? I'm not sure. It's weird sometimes. Right, so again, this is going way back. We're anchoring from September until today, right? It's a couple months. It's the only thing we have going on here that would create at least some hidden divergence over the long term, hidden bearish, and that could be, again, something that would put pressure on the price to go down. But short term, high, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher, right? So I'm going to the previous island, high, higher, positive, more positive. Nothing here that is bearish. Still overbought at 74.51. That is it for DVT. Again, performing beautifully. Let's go to Bitcoin again, because we got that awesome tip from John Smith. So we're going to recap Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin on the daily, man? Again, hitting bullish, getting above, and we're struggling. When we came in, we were still below the 30,090 area. We finally got above it. We're getting above the 33,309. I told you guys, Bitcoin really needs to be up here above 34,400 to be strong. It puts it to where it's also above this fifth node here. It's 236, and we want to get above that area, right? So we really want to see Bitcoin above 34,200 at least. But 34,400 is where I have it on another chart that should be working really good for Bitcoin, right? We do have the 20 up there. It's starting to flatline a little bit, and that's okay. I'm not worried about the 20 right now. We're not there, but that would be at a resistance that would be 36,107. So let's go to the 4-hour Bitcoin real quick. Again, the 4-hour Bitcoin had this bearish divergence right hidden. It moved us down. We found support. We already established that. You know, we had on smaller time scales something happening there. We'll go to smaller time scales in a second. The 4-hour again, bearish divergence moving down, finding support, taking a pump. Great. You know, that's awesome, right? Again, it's at support, which is fine. That's why I even have alerts there set up, right? And you know I have alert there. I haven't moved it. We talked about this cross potential being good for Bitcoin. It was failing to perform. I was a little bit worried when we broke below the 20 and failing to actually get back above it. And here, even breaking below the 20, it was not too good. Right now, let's say it's starting to look a little bit better. And it's about to shake off this divergence because this would track onto there right now. It's slightly lower. And it will track onto there. It's hidden divergence. It could put some pressure for the price to go down. But the price right now, it's at the same height, right? If I zoom in a lot, you might be able to see that. But we're looking at the same height. And with that, you know, if breaking above that area, it gets rid of the divergence, right? To here, it already played out. Pumping out a little bit more. Let's see what's going to happen. We can come back to Bitcoin. Neutral at 54.17. And again, given a little bit of validity to the fact that, you know, we broke out of the triangle. That's fine. The measure move would have put us at 19,000, almost 20K. And we were talking about maybe that triangle shifted and it turned into a falling wedge. And that's actually what we're in. And if we're on a falling wedge again, we're very, very close to that 236, right? That 34,000 and change area. We're 33,700. So bullishly pumping on the opening today. So that's nice. And let's see if we get above there. And, you know, we might have resistance here on the wedge. If we break the wedge to the upside, depending on when we break it, we'll be expecting a measure move. And I put it here, that would get us to at least 46,000, depending on actually when we break it, right? But around the 46K area, which would be really nice for Bitcoin, right? So let's go to the Bitcoin 1 hour and see what we have there. Bitcoin 1 hour, right? Created strong bullish divergence, right? On the 4 hour, we didn't have anything. We're just coming to that support, right? Just coming to that support. We didn't have anything going on there. When we went to the 1 hour, we established that we created strong bullish divergence after we created bearish divergence. You know, broke down on that. That was fine. We had this divergence here yesterday when we were live. We knew there was a possibility. We still created more bearish divergence here. Moved down, created that strong bullish, and taking a pump. Great. We already established that, dude, right? So let's say if Bitcoin is doing good. Again, not super worried about it. You tend to give you targets upside and downside, right? So where we're at right now, potential resistance at 34,438 on the Gemini chart, or 34,200 and change on here, which would be on this line. Actually gonna see 34,219 more or less, which is where I have the 236 fib node. And if we manage to get above here, we might have some resistance depending on when we hit on this line, right? On the top resistance line, that could be around 35K, around the 35,700 to maybe 35,200 area. Sorry about that. Let's keep rolling. So those are targets to the upside, right? If we manage to break above 34,000 in this chart, again, we have that line. Imagine this going down here around the 35Ks. But if we get above that line, again, we're probably going to have resistance at 37,393. Now, to the downside, we might try to find support here at the 33,300 area, 33,090, right? We've held support there before. It wouldn't be weird if we hold support here again on the way down. And then if we break that area, 31,400 might be a support. And if we break that, 30,675, those would be actual targets to the downside. And on a very last effort, 29,179. So that's what I'm looking for Bitcoin supports, upside and downside. Thank you, John Smith, for that, man. Ice up. Did I get a new mic? Yes, I got a new mic. Thank you for asking, man. Hope you can hear me better and clearly. And yeah. That was one of the goals that we had, right? Mike and Ram, and Mike arrived actually on... So it was Miles and Ram. Prior to that was a Mike, and we already hit that. But thanks, man. Appreciate that. Actually, I don't mind having this mic show up here on the stream. It's right here. It's beautiful, man. It's a very good mic. I mean, it's not the best mic, but for streaming, it's pretty good. Now, to be a USB mic, it's really, really good. I didn't want to get like an XLR mic, and me needed to buy like, like a mixing table for the XLR mic, and then have that go into the computer. It was like gonna be a lot of stuff to have on the desk, and I don't have a lot of space actually. So this being compact and giving me a lot of control with this stuff here, right? I can add more stuff. I can control the music on the stream, right? Right, and gives me a lot of control for the things that come into my headset. That's why I'm using a headset now, and what's going out into the stream, and I can see how everything is mixing, and that's pretty cool. Let's keep rolling. Rent's up next. The RAN. Someone requested RAN, GRT, and Theta, where we recapped Bitcoin. When we get to Theta, I'm just going to recap Ethereum. We'll see what's that. Do I like the F1? Yeah, a little bit, man. All right. I just haven't been looking at a lot of sports lately. RAN daily, it's fine. Again, still holding support over its previous high. That'll be here at 60.12 cents. Right now, it's 62.65. Not seeing anything bearish on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Ran on the 4-hour. We're on an upsloping channel. We kind of broke out of it. We had this hidden divergence, tried to pump, rejected the 20, and right now we're more or less moving sideways. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side. Do we go lower? Maybe. I'm gonna actually have to check here, man. Let's see. What is this low? 43.15, 43.05. Yes, going slightly lower, right? So from here to here, like slightly lower. There we go. Okay, this in the 4-hour. And that is part of the reason that we're failing to drop more right now. All right. Hidden bullish divergence. We pumped, hit the 20, rejecting, but we're still close to that 20, right? We have not gone far away from the 20 at all after this bounce. So looks like it wants to get above that 20 again. Let's see if it's going to play out. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, see what we have there. Neutral at 48.66. Let's go 1 hour. Nick, thank you for being here. Ethereum starting to look like it found support at 1,040 pounds. Jeez, I'm not sure what's that. I gotta check it on dollars, man, because that's usually what I'm looking at. But it could be that it found the support. We'll see in a second. After Ren, we have Girth and Theta, and then we'll check it out, right? Last thing we had here was this bullish divergence, right? Strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. We took that pump. Did we create something afterwards, man? That is a question. I can't remember when we last looked at RAN. Here we're coming up slightly higher, very slightly. You could call it sideways motion if you wanted to. It's just different types of divergence that we would be making, but bearish divergence nonetheless, right? If you want to call this sideways motion, we would be making medium bearish divergence, but I do believe we're making strong bearish divergence. Actually, to the downside, we took that drop. We didn't have it against the R side. Drop slightly, that's fine. Held support. Drop it again, held support. I'm actually going to zoom in and see what we have here. Low, high, negative, plus negative, low, and there's such a hard point. I just want to make sure I'm not missing anything here. Right, negative, slightly more negative, right? And low, lower. Low, lower, that's fine. Nothing bullish. Again, trying to hold support there, bouncing. It's great. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, great. And then I'm going to ignore this small island here because it's just one bar. And it's very tiny. I'm gonna go from here to here on the 1 hour chart for Ren. And so that we're creating some strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. We did get the pump, but we're failing to go higher. High, low, positive is positive, high on the RSI total point. Nothing bearish right now. And we're still holding on to that 20 as support, which is okay. Neutral at 49.74. And again, still above that previous all-time high. And we're on our on track, or we're trying to get back up here to the 1618 at 82 cents, more or less. Is it 82 or 87? 87 cents. Right now, again, consolidating at this level, which is not bad for Ren. Let's go move on to the graph. The girth. Oh, snap. I hit the chat. I didn't want to do that. There we go. Thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, guys. Thank you all for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. We have the best crypto community being built right now, right? We're growing. We just hit a growth spur. And so far, everyone that comes here is awesome, dude. There's very, very few people that come here that are not awesome. I don't think there's anyone that's ever been here that's not awesome, except for the bots. Or, yeah, I think the bots. I don't think this is the graph we're looking at. This is the graph we're looking for. Right, we are rejecting 58.89 right now. We're right below that area, right? We noticed the resistance. Yesterday we hit it. We actually moved below the 382. That's fine. Today, look at this, beautiful. We hit this area. We actually came to the low of 55.02. Or sorry, 51, actually. 51.92, hit that area. Almost spot on. What was the low move? 51.79. We have it at 51.92. Slightly below it. 0.20 cents, not even a cent, right? But 0.20 cents off. And again, right now at resistance, right? We don't have anything on the daily. Bought at 60.42. Let's go to the 1 hour, 4 hour chart. Let's keep rolling here. Again, on the graph, we had strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. That's fine. That's what we're getting. Here we're going slightly higher, coming in lower on the MACD. So starting to create strong bearish divergence. And it could be part of the reason that we're below the 59.32 area of resistance. The support, right, will now become a resistance. But it could be because of that, right? And because we have this strong bearish divergence building here against the MACD and the RSI, right? Neutral at 58.90. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, see what we have there. What? Jake, what's that? Are you like a cowboy now? Right on. Let's move in here. Let's see, dude. Did we create some hidden bullish? Yes, we did on the graph. Great. That would help to explain why we pumped, right? Cowboy Jake in the house. Someone asking what I think about Mara for the next week. Really, it's going to perform to whatever Bitcoin does. So it's like asking, what do you think about Bitcoin, right? Might open up green, right? If Bitcoin sustains, it's a small pump that it just did. So hidden bullish divergence, actually the upside, that's great. Now, what I'm looking for here is the bearish divergence. And I think we have some bearish divergence strong right now. We hit it slightly lower, right? So on the 1 hour, yes. And then we're coming from here to here, right? Great. So strong bearish divergence against the MACD. And the RSI, right? Potential for action to downside. Oh no, we just went farther away from 58.89, which is the area that we had there as support. Why in the 4 hour? Why did it set 59, dude? I was probably looking at something different. 58.89. That's it. Great. Just went slightly below that area still. So that's it for the graph. Right now, I'm expecting potential movement down. Where could he go on the 1 hour that moved, right? Well, we can see, dude, that we have support here at 382. So that could be a target. Or is it the 50% here on this micro scale? No, it's 382. Looking for potential move to at 382 around 56.11, and if we break there, 55.02 would potentially be a target, or the 20, right? Slightly higher. Right now, 55.79. Those would be targets to the downside. To the upside, we need to break above 58.89, and then we'd be looking at potentially, we might hit a resistance here, but this is a 236 at 63.62. That would be the primary target to the upside. And then if we move higher, we're looking at retest of whatever's up here, 70.76. So that's it for the graph. Let's go to theta. Oh snap, I just deleted. Why must you go away? Theta on the daily. Remember we said it was potentially consolidating. I didn't change this to blue, but we were talking about this as being a downsloping channel. We're still within that downsloping channel, rejecting that 20. We didn't have anything bullish right now. And we're neutral at 53.93. So let's go to the 4-hour chart for theta. All right, we're looking for this bearish divergence. Hidden track onto there, still fine there, and then high to low, that's great. Then what happened post-factor, right? We pumped a little bit more. We started to calm down on that MACD. Right here, going slightly higher on the 4-hour. And on the MACD, you'll see that we're dropping, right? So strong bearish divergence, action to downside, moving down. We don't have it against the RSI. The movement down is not creating anything yet. Low, high, negative, positive, low, high on the RSI. Neutral at 50.22. So not a lot happening on theta besides the fact that we already moved down, held support at the 20, and we're still bouncing at the 20 right now on this candle. When down, hit that 20 and try to bounce a little bit. Let's see if we can hold on to a 20. So go to the whatever 1-hour chart, right? Well, let's go to the 1-hour chart. Again, we had bearish divergence. Move down on that. That's great. Nothing wrong with that. We didn't create anything bullish here. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. That's great. We still try to pump more. And on this small pump, we created strong bearish divergence. Right? We just haven't looked at data in a couple days, I guess. Against the MACD, we don't have it against the RSI. And that we're moving down. Low, high. Negative, more negative, hitting bullish, dude. It's just trading all over the place. Right, and again, we've just been more or less moving sideways, so we also have it against the RSI, right? Hitting bullish here. Then, you know, low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. That's fine to hear. Nothing here. Right, and then high, low. Is it going lower though? Where did we open here? 2.01, and this is 2.009. It's almost 2.01. I'm going to give it to it. I'm going to give it this bearish divergence. Where are we at right now? 1.94 for theta. I don't think I called the price when we started. Yo, high to sideways motion. I think that's what we're going to do. Yeah, sideways motion for theta. And said that we're doing medium bearish divergence for potential action to downside. I'm actually going to measure 64, 65, 63. So slightly lower. 64, 63. Great. Also works here to here. Slightly lower, right? So we have medium bearish divergence, potential action to downside, moving down on that. Low, lower. Are we doing less negative though? I gotta zoom in. Yeah, from the previous island. If we ignore this island, again, it's hard to see when you're zoomed out. So I want to ignore that island. They're tiny, so it just, you know, might not even apply. But for me to hear, strong bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. I think that small pump, great. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. We took that pump, got above the 20, but really failing to hold on to that. Right, neutral at 49. Where are we at right now? 48.92. High, low, then high, low, high, low. Right, that's it. Nothing happening on theta since then. That's it for theta. Let's keep rolling. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Ethereum, Kelton, right now actually, because I just finished theta, and that's why I said finish theta, go back to Ethereum. Oh my goodness, at 1,408. What is it dropping, dude? It dropped below its previous high over here of 1,420. Shame that we dropped below that area, right? I was really hoping that Ethereum was going to be able to hold on to this place. I'm checking the chat real quick. Yeah, no problem, Jeffrey. Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. On the daily, remember we were saying bearish divergence? Let's see if we can manage to undo that, right? We still have it here. We still have negative momentum. We are about to get across with MACD over the signal line, but we have not gotten it on the daily. It would be really good if we get it. Could at least bring a small pump here on the price still. Maybe to touch 1,500, right? A lot of people calling for Ethereum to $2,000, and I tell you guys, small targets, right? And you know, when Ethereum started running to this area, a lot of people were saying, "Oh, it's gonna go to 2,000. It's gonna go to 1,000." Dude, come on! First get to 2,500, then let's target 1,750, and then let's target 2,000. But just going to 2,000 after you barely broke all-time highs, it's insane, right? I mean, you gotta wait for it to do something. 4 hour high, low, hidden bullish, I guess. We didn't have anything earlier because we were still pumping a little bit, but now I come back in and this is slightly lower, right? I'm looking at this potential hidden bearish. Sorry, did I say hidden bullish? Hidden bearish. That's what I meant. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Bought at 62.63. Again, potential action to downside in that hidden bearish. Let's see if it's going to play out. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Oh, I forgot the anchor. Great. I even got the anchor, man. There we go. Fix it. Fix it, funny man. There it is. Anyways, strong bearish divergence in the 1 hour, right? So potential action to the downside, and we're moving down. Great. Where are we going to find support? Well, we lost the support here that we were holding on to. We were tested it plenty of times. 1, 2, 3 times. Broke below 1,420, and now we're heading for 1,387. That's a potential target. I mean, Bitcoin is pumping, so it probably is taking some flow from Ethereum, right? Where's Bitcoin at? Oh, it's starting to move red right now in this 1 hour candle. Great. It just hit 33,600 and then just crap down a little bit. But it didn't hit 34K, right, even. Did we reject the triangle? I wonder. Did we reject that triangle in the 4 hour? Oh, this is a wedge. This is the triangle. Nope, not even close. Let's keep rolling. Up next, next 5 block, right? XLM, Silica, BZZ, Yuma, and EOS. All right, that's what's up next. What's going on? Tristan, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. What the hell's going on in the chat, dude? Well, I hear some people doxing people. That's crazy, man. Let's keep rolling. Up next, XLM, Zilica, BZZ, Yuma, and EOS, right? That's what's up next. So let's go to that block. $27.40. That's the current price for XLM. What do we have? Let's go on the daily first, and then let's go work. Oh, hidden bullish. Try to run up. We're still between the 50% here at 24.64 and 382 here at 29. Again, below 20 still. Moving sideways more or less. So not a lot of action, right? Neutral at 54.45. Let's go to the 4 hour. Last thing we had was hidden bullish, that pump drop. We haven't done much since. We haven't traded anything. Maybe some hidden bearish, actually. Yeah, some hidden bearish that we didn't have yesterday. So from here to here, it is in the 4 hour. Great. Awesome. And from here to here, right? So we have that, and then high to low, right? So that's it. Hidden bearish, action on the downside, moving down, hitting that 20, taking a small pop. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low. And there's at the hard point, neutral at 48.81. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, we're going to do Aave in a little bit. It's on the next block. It's actually Comp, Near, CRB, FTM, and Aave. So yeah. Trying to see what I missed on the chat real quick before I move on. Todd, what's up, dude? I'm not sure. Which one was your request? I don't have them by name, so let me know which one it was. I'm gonna wait for you to tell me because I don't know which one it was. I already covered a couple coins, so let me know. The ones you put on the Discord, no, I haven't covered those. If those nearest your views, no, I haven't done those yet. They're gonna be on the next block. Fuck my suit. What? There we go. Let's go to XLM on the 1 hour. Post stream, right? 5 in the morning tonight. Today. 5 in the morning today. We created the strong bearish divergence. Reaction to the downside. Oh no, we're gonna do. Yeah, we did go down. We didn't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Then what do we do, dude? A low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI, lower point. Some hidden bullish divergence. Great. Right here. And from here to here. And I think I forgot to anchor on the 1 hour to begin with. So did I forget to anchor here? Yep, no, it's there. Great, awesome. So everything's good, right? Taking that small pump on the hidden bullish. Let's see if we managed to get higher in the previous high. We did not. We're starting to go down, probably. Not sure. That's it. We don't have anything bearish right now, so we're starting to go down below that 20. Not good. Did Bitcoin maybe go down? Probably. That could be an indicator for this to go down without a reason, right? And the hidden bullish, you know, we know hidden bullish is not a strong bearish, and that's what we had here. Strong bearish divergence. Actually, the downside. Hidden bullish could give us a chance to get higher, but if we fail to get higher in the previous high, we're looking for a potential drop to come in. So, you know. Ethereum is below 1,400. Did it just drop? Oh no. Let's go to Silica. Silica at 6.89. Thank you for being here. If you guys like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. If you haven't done it yet and you're new to the channel, definitely sub. We have a really, really cool community here on the State of Crypto. So thank you all for being here. What? God hand, I think you passed on the keyword or something, man. Please don't spam. Ooh. Jake just timed out someone. Or someone got hidden from the channel. Yeah, we're gonna go to Ethereum in a second. Again, just let me go through Silica. Again, potential double bottom that we're looking for Silica, remember? Failing to get above the 786 here at 7.11. We're now at 6.9 cents. Let's see how Silica is going to do. It has that medium bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. I think that's what we called here. And neutral at 50.96. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. We hadn't created anything. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on there, lower point. Even here, low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. So we're taking a small rally. That's fine. High, low, positive, less positive. High on there, lower point. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Neutral at 49.42. And again, within this channel, right, at 786, at 7.11, and the 6.57. So on the 1 hour Silica, all right, high, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Nothing bearish. We moved down, but not even that strong, right? Low, high, negative. I was thinking if we do have a small island here, it could be hidden bullish that we're developing that might be helping this stay up a little bit. That's the only thing I'm seeing for Silica, right? That's it. Boom. Got up, hit the 20, rejecting. Neutral at 48.53. Not really doing a lot. Again, if we want to move up, we have the 20 to look for as resistance. And then the 786 here at 7.11 cents. And then if we break down, we have support at 6.5. That's it for this project, right? Luna? No one's requested Luna. Let's just put it on the list. Thanks for requesting it, man. Much appreciate it. You can always check the new marquee that Jake hooked me up with. It comes up there on the top, right? Oh, up there in the corner. And it'll tell you the coins that are coming through, right? So thanks for that, man. Much appreciate it. And we haven't done it. So people panicking about Ethereum. Let's check it out real quick. Again, I try to go every once in a while back to the projects to see what's going on, but a lot of people apparently are panicking, so I'm gonna go check them out. Super chat denied your card. Denied. That's weird. Oh, you can't see your phone? Oh, that's fine. We'll figure out a better way to make that marquee larger, probably. We'll see. Boom, 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 boom. Ethereum, right? Oh, Ethereum, 1,400. Great. It's still above 1,387. That's where we have support. So, not worried about Ethereum yet until it breaks below 1,387, right? Again, performing nice. We finished Silica. Let's go to BCZ. Not panicking. Is Bitcoin still moving up? Nope. 33,400. Yep. Still above 33,300. So, great. None of them are really dropping that hard. Oh my God, is it dumping? No. Let's just pull them back a little bit, man. It just took a massive pump, dude. Why do people panic when you get pullback? Look, it's not real consolidation. Don't look like the best consolidation, to be honest. But, you know, it's pulling back a little bit. We still have 29 minutes to go. Let's see where we close, and then we'll revisit, right? That's going to be it for Ethereum right now. Don Juan, sure, man. Just go with the format, and I'll do it, right? It's being popped up every couple seconds, so add the state of crypto, and then just do add the state of crypto. What project you wanted next, and I'll check it out. Right? I don't think it's been requested yet. Right. So let's keep rolling. BZZ. I don't think we've ever looked at that one. Dude, I gotta confirm that on the Discord because that one came through the Discord. So oh, it's BLC, dude. Yeah, I wrote it wrong. That was BZZ. That's why I couldn't find it. BLC. We have looked at it before. Great. It's awesome when that happens. Let's keep rolling, guys. Thank you all for being here. Check something out real quick here before I keep on moving through BLZ, right? Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I think we started at 1,905, maybe? I'm not sure where we started, but or were we below that when we started the stream? I can't remember. I think we got to, yeah, we got to 1,905. We're still at 1,903. We actually lost 2 subs, which kind of sucks. Let's see if we can manage to pick up subs tonight. Thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, right? Again, awesome stream, awesome crypto family that we're building. So thank you all for being here. SBCA just sub. Thank you for being here. I much appreciate it. Let's roll to BLC. Let's see what's happening here. I can't remember that we looked at this like anytime soon, but you know, we're rejecting that 786, which is fine. Finding support at the 618, which again is fine. I'm not seeing anything here. High, higher, positive, high, higher. Neutral, bought at 63.11. So nothing on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. We had bearish divergence. Great. Action to the downside. We moved down on that. Awesome. Did we create something bullish? Hidden bullish. I'll just anchor it from here to here. Try to get as clean as I can in the lines without going through much data, but let's go here. Negative, more negative, right? We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD, hidden bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. We pump, failed to go higher in the previous high, so we're starting to drop, and on that, failed to drop lower than the previous low right now. So low, high, negative, less, negative, low, and there's at the hard point. Neutral at 50.91, not really doing a lot on the 4 hour, just rejected the 20 right now, and that's what it looked like it's doing, right? At 13.61 cents. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bearish divergence, move down on that. Awesome. Strong bullish within this area, which is fine. I'll go from here to here for that strong bullish and anchor it in the 1 hour. Here. Awesome. So with that strong bullish divergence, action to the upside, we started to pump. That was great. High, low, positive, less positive. I'm actually gonna have to zoom in here. Yeah, positive, less positive. So nothing bearish here. And here, also nothing bearish. Great. Then we took this small pump here. I mean, here we created some strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. And, you know, we did move down, found support, pop. It's great, but, you know, strong bearish divergence, move down again. 68.90, 68.85, slightly lower as well. You don't want to say that this is going sideways. It will be weak bearish divergence, but, you know, that's fine. Still bearish divergence. Quit down, hit the 20, low, high, negative, more negative, right? So hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. Potential action to the upside, a reversal. And on that, we felt to go higher in the previous high. And now we're getting that rejection. Went down to that 20, try to find support. Did we go higher in the previous high then? And we did manage to go higher in the previous high. Great. I'm actually gonna have to zoom in here because it's very small. What is this here? 10683.9. So high, low, slightly higher, slightly lower, and here we're coming slightly higher. So strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside, and we did get that action to the downside. It dropped us down quite a bit. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower point. Nothing bullish here. Maybe short term here. Let's see. Within the same island, we might have created some very slight bullish divergence, but that'll be about it, right? Potential action to the upside. And we're getting that small pump, hitting that 20 and rejecting. That's what we have for BLZ right now. Do we have targets in the 1 hour? They're not showing, so I want to bring them from the daily over. See if I can get this fibs to show. Then the 1 hour, I want to see where we're at with the fibs. So, yep. All right, so if we reject that 20, we're looking for a retest of the 618 at 12.92 cents. And if we manage to get above that 20 and find support, we could be looking for a retest of the 786, which is the area we actually rejected a couple times. 2 times. Ambulance driving by. So, yeah, that's what we have right now. That's it for BLZ. What do you, Mom? Yuma to the dollar, man. What's it doing, dude? Great, let's keep rolling. what do we have here? We were looking for this bearish divergence yesterday. It did pull us back a little bit from where we're at, but we still have the bearish divergence, still rejecting the 50% line on UMA, right? That would be around 1234. Sitting at 11.93 right now. And again, that divergence just goes to there, and that just strikes onto there. So on the daily, we still have the strong bearish divergence. Again, struggling to move up with strength. Let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, I have some divergence here. Medium bullish, or hidden bullish, sorry. Hidden bullish divergence fraction to the upside, that's fine. High low, positive, high low. Nothing bearish here. We just moved down, hit that support, again, hit that support, and now trying to pump. That's great. I'm not seeing anything here. High, low, positive, negative, or positive, high, low. Neutral at 54.83. Let's go to the 1-hour chart and see what we're doing there. Low, high, positive, more positive, high, higher. Nothing bearish. Last thing we had was this hidden bullish, which pumped us up. It was fine. We're creating anything to there. We're not creating anything to here now. Maybe some hidden bullish for the pump, but that's about it. Nothing on the short term for the bearishness, I think. And I'm actually going to revisit in a second, just to make sure I'm not missing it. Right, there is the short term 1 hour. I'm in here. 39.33 and 39.64. We don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. 63.86, 63.90, slightly higher. So nothing against the RSI right now. Neutral at 59.89. That's it for UMA, right? Again, target to the upside, 12.82. Target to the downside, 11.16. We're above the 20 though. First support at the 20 at 11.54. For UMA, let's go to EOS. After EOS, I'm gonna take a small break to refill my water because I'm almost out of water. So I'll be right back after that, right? But let's do EOS. What's that? Yes, Ethereum. Yeah, I already did Ethereum earlier. I'll do a recap of Ethereum after I get water. All right. AD, what's up? Thanks for being here, man. Let's do EOS. This is the question, is the EOS? No, this is the EOS that we're looking at. Yep. Great. Bearish divergence, action to downside, low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's the hard point. Neutral at 48.07. Nothing happening here. Let's go to the 4-hour. We're looking for that hidden bullish. We did get that small candle up. Rejected 20, and then, you know, we're just not really creating a lot here. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. So nothing on EOS here. And I forgot to anchor this on the 1 hour last time we looked at EOS. So I'm going to clean this up real quick. Not like a mega cleanup. It's just like 3 small lines that I got to clean up. High, low, low, high, I think. How are we doing divergence here? It looks like it. I'm gonna leave that line right there. What?
Thanks for the stream.
Yo, Montara, thank you very much for the tip. I really, really appreciate that. Yo, thank you very much for that. Let's yeah, thanks, man. Yeah. Thank you guys for the awesome support that you give to this channel, man. Thanks for the tips. I really appreciate them. They yeah, they're cool, man. I really appreciate that. Thanks so much for that, man. I really appreciate that. Drink beer? No, I'm not drinking beer tonight, dude. It's Sunday. Anyways, I was looking for this bearish divergence here, hidden, and we have it in here. Even from here, right? High to low, low to high. We don't have it against our side, just against the MACD. Moving down, hitting that 20, taking a small bounce. I'm not seeing anything bullish here on the 4 hour, and that's fine. Neutral at 53.18. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Hey man, what do I use to stream? OBS. OBS and Stream Elements. Forgot to anchor on the 1 hour, dude. That's there. Awesome. So high, higher, positive, less positive, or positive, negative, and then high to low. Strong bearish divergence. Action downside. We got that low, high, right? And then negative, more negative. Created some hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside or reversal. We did get that small action to the upside. We have it against MACD and the RSI. And with that, we had the small move to the upside, but really not super strong, right? High, low, high, low, high, low. Nothing really special here. Neutral at 54.93. Right now, moving down, heading for that 20. We don't have fips on this EOS chart. I have it on another EOS chart, but I want to get some fips out here for this. And I guess I'm going to use this as the high and this as the low. And that could be something I could work with for the short-term fibs. So from here to here. There we go. And we are above that 236, which is fairly good. Last time we rejected was a 50%. We broke through that 382. We haven't revisited. We're below 20 also on the daily. On the 4 hour, let's see. Why it's not coming down here, dude? It just stayed on the daily. Weird. Okay, cool. So we're probably... Could it be that we're really high above there here? Oh, here it is. And we hit it almost spot on that wick. That's fairly good, right? Hit it spot on and bouncing, so that's fine. 236 holding out support on the 1 hour below that 20. That's it for EOS, guys. I'm gonna take a quick break, get some water. I'll be right back, and after that, I'll keep on rolling with the rest of the stream. Crypto Legend in the house. Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. I just seen that you were here. Firestar, where to start short on Bitcoin? What? Up to you, bro. I can't tell you where to short. Check in chat real quick before I actually go and get more water. Did we? I'm not sure, dude. Someone said something about uni. Let's see what we had for uni. Did it pump a lot? That's fine, dude. Yeah, I mean, on the daily, I was looking for something bearish, right? We didn't quite get it. We managed to pump more yesterday. Like that. And then, you know, we just went higher. So we undid it. We just didn't revisit. So that's fine. Because someone said that on uni I called bullishness and it's bearish, but from here to here it's still bearish on the daily. And against the RSI, against the MACD kind of lost it, but against the RSI it's still there. So I'm not trying to skip a coins or anything. I just want to see what we call them the shorter time scales. On the 4 hour, we're looking for this bearishness also. Are we still bearish? Nope. We kind of killed it here also. Great. And we're looking at this at 2 in the morning, so it just kept on pumping, right? That's why you keep on tracking, right? Because I was calling to that point in time. Last thing we had on the 1 hour was bullish, and we just kept on running with that because we hadn't created anything bearish on the 1 hour. Now it has some bearishness, but I'm not going to call it right now because we're not doing uni. I'm going to leave the chart on Bitcoin. I'll be right back. Hey guys, thank you for sticking around through that small intermission. Let's keep rolling with Bitcoin. Sorry, not Bitcoin. We're gonna recap, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum. Where's Bitcoin at? Moving down, finding support at 33,309. We did hit the low. What is the low? 33,336. So close. Ethereum, what's it doing, dude? 1,418. All right, recovering a little bit. Great. About to get above its previous high of 1,420. Awesome. Yep, that's it for Ethereum, right? Let's keep rolling. Again, just a quick recap, right? See where we're at. Up next, Comp, Near, CRV, FTM, and Aave. Let's move through those. I hit their sticks, man. It deletes it, man. Sometimes it's weird. So high, positive, high, low, right? So bearish divergence, moving down. That's fine. We hadn't created anything bullish. On support, taking a pump. Great. They did pump a lot yesterday. 20.81. Awesome. High, positive, less positive. All right. Starting to create bearish divergence, but it's starting to make this island, right? It's just a second bar. So again, just take caution. I'm not calling it definitive bearish divergence. Just it's starting to build it. There's a chance it might, if it keeps on pumping, it could shake it off, right? It needs to pump higher than this previous high. But it's there right now. Bought at 64.48. Let's go to the 4-hour comp. Higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. We don't have anything bearish on the 4-hour. And with that, we have this hidden bullish that's pumping us up. It's great. Nothing else there. And neutral at 67.60. So we haven't created anything on the 4-hour that's no potential for action to the downside. Let's go to the 1-hour. The 1-hour, last thing we had was this hidden bullish. Sorry, strong bullish, fraction to the upside, and we've just been running up on comp since. So that's fine. Or since we looked at it, then we created this bearish divergence here. All right, move down on that strong bearish divergence. Move down, found support at 618. Taking a pump. Are we doing something? Yep. Still more strong bearish divergence here, and still moving down. We don't have it against our side. Just use the MACD. Move down. We create some hidden bullish here, slightly higher. Then we are coming slightly lower here. So from here to here. Yeah. Hidden bullish, taking a small pump. Lower high. Let's zoom in. It's going sideways, I guess. We can say it's going sideways on the price here. And we still managed to go less positive momentum, right? So medium bearish divergence, but against the RSI this time also. Moving down, finding support at 20, taking a new pump. More positive, higher, positive, more positive, great. Here we created some strong bearish against. Yeah, it's creating a lot of bearish divergence, but comp is not really giving a damn about it. It's super bullish right now. From here to here, great. Low high. 133, 154. All right, hidden bullish. Some strong bullish here on the last bit. Sorry, is this going higher? No, it's going higher. Never mind that. Hidden bearish. Or hidden bullish, sorry, also. Right here. So hidden bullish, taking that new pump, and that's it. Higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to hard point. I'm not seeing anything bearish right now for comp. Could just be consolidating after a massive run, right? So Consolidating above the 786, but hasn't reached its 100% target, which would be up here at 268.88. We're sitting at 247. All right, again, that bullishness. Actually, the upside, nothing bearish right now. Starting to consolidate. Great, let's keep rolling. Right, near. RCAT, no, Riot hasn't been requested, dude. Through the proper request, I guess. Or at least I didn't catch it on the chat. I'm not sure if someone caught it. Let me check on the Discord. Nope, it's also not on the Discord. So no, we haven't done Riot. Thank you guys for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button, the sub, right? Near. What's happening with near on the daily? We don't have a lot to chart here. Definitely getting above the previous high. So it's fine. We're trying to head to that 1618, I guess. Awesome. High higher, possible spots. There's starting to create bearish divergence within the last island, right? So from here to here, it's coming up slightly higher. And from here to here, it's coming slightly lower. And from here to here, it's also coming slightly lower. Bought at 67.54. With 4 hour. Hidden bullish. Sorry, strong bullish. Taking that pump. Great. Up higher. Great. Awesome, dude. High, low, positive, less positive. High on the RSI lower point. Neutral at 57.34 right now. Not seeing anything bearish here on near on the 4 hour. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. What do we have here last? We're looking for this bullish divergence. Yep. Pumped, dropped, and we haven't looked at it, I guess. We weren't doing anything to here. Finding support at 786. Very nice support at 786. Then taking a pump. High higher, positive, positive, high higher. Everything here's good. And here one's slightly higher, or are we just going sideways, man? We're really gonna have to zoom in here to like see this one, dude. It just looks like it's going sideways. From here to here, and then from here to here. So medium bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. We did move down slightly, a little lower. Nothing bullish here. Oh, high negative, less negative, low high. Nothing bullish here either. High higher, positive, more positive, high on the RSI to hard point. Everything here is good, right? I don't think anything bearish here, dude, right now. Then we did move down slightly, and we created some hidden bullish divergence. I guess the only thing I can see, dude. I'm not seeing a lot of things on this project, man. We have it against the MACD and the RSI. Without reading that action to the upside, tell them to go higher than the previous high. So high, where are we at here, man? High, low, high, low, high, low. Nothing bearish there, man. And we had some divergence here on the half hour. I'm just gonna check real quick. Yep, see, from here to here. And from here to here. And then here on this last bit also, right? So strong bearish divergence section to the downside. That's the way to move down here on the 1 hour, right? So we got this drop happening. Now we haven't seen bullish that's recovering. That's it for near. Let's go to CRV. Sauce? Sure, man. Not sure if I missed any other requests prior to Sauce, but I'm gonna check it out. Tezos? Yeah, sure. Thank you, Horse, for being here, man. I hadn't seen you, but you're awesome. Let's keep checking, dude. Let me update the list real quick so we all know what coins are next. That's gonna be it, dude. I'm not sure if I'm gonna close requests yet, but we're at that point. We're gonna be at 27 projects already, right? Plus the recaps. So I'll keep on checking. Oh, so many people here. Thank y'all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, right? If you're new to the channel and you like the content, definitely hit the sub. You can also join us on Discord. CRV up next. The Honda CRV. Your vehicle of choice. Let's go there, man. $2.23. What are we doing here, man? Hitting bullish. Take it up. Move up. That's fine. Ooh, nice. This is the 1 hour though. Let's go into the daily first. So we're looking for this bearish divergence, right? We just keep on tracking it. We still have it here against the RSI, but not against the MACD. And we're starting to get that potential action to downside right now. We did hit on that movement down support at that 786. Sorry, that is it. 236. That's one we're finding support at, which is fine. Again, getting above that 182, which is fine again, also, right? Again, remember, on a bull trend or in bullish conditions and bull trends, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. So it's there right now, just acknowledging it for what it is. Potential movement to the downside. We're bought at 78.82. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had the support line that we're looking for. And I think Todd was requesting this one, right? So Todd, we're doing this now, and you wanted to know if we're gonna go into this channel, and I told you about the supports to the downside. We're not on that channel yet, right? We still moved up a little bit, so I guess what you wanted to see was that whether or not we're gonna move this like we did back here. Remember, we actually grabbed this channel and moved it from here and said, yeah, interesting. It looks like it could fit. But we were talking about the moves here and like whether or not we're gonna stay on this upsloping channel, which now we're actually breaking out of. And we talked about support at the 20 and support down here. So it's not playing out, I guess, like back here, like you wanted it to play out, right? So that's the only reason we had this one there, but that's it. Still moving up, so great. Still an uptrend above that 20. We had the bearish divergence. We still created more bearish divergence, right? I told you about the cross. And I don't think we had it when we were live, but I said potential cross. Because we had that there on the 4 hour. And now we created bearish divergence, strong. We have that cross for negative momentum, and we're starting to move down slightly, but actually moving sideways more than down, right? Again, strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI, but not really moving down with a lot of strength. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to higher point. Neutral, sorry, bought at 61.12. Let's go to the 1 hour. Cody Vincent, thank you for being here. Much appreciated. Uniswap to the moon. Yeah, sure, man. Just do at the state of crypto and then do uni and I'll check it out, right? Again, last thing we had here was strong bullish divergence. Section to the upside. We got that pump at 5 in the morning. High, higher. High, higher, high. What? Bring facts.
Just
Thanks for
wanted to
awesome.
see Goku and help you get that chair. Time for the stream.
Yo, thank you for that, man. You didn't get Goku. That's weird. I'm not sure why you got the shark. That's weird. I think above 5 should send Goku out. That is very weird that you got the shark. I haven't moved anything on my alerts. sorry that I didn't get Goku, dude. I'll try something here in a second. That's weird. It should have gone out. There's probably something wrong with the... Oh, I see what happened. Something moved here. That's weird. There we go. So, let's hit save. That should work now, I guess. So I want to reload real quick here. Or it should be reloaded, I guess. Great. So just because you wanted to see Goku, I'll do this. See if Goku comes up. There you go. Right, your same tip. I just resend it.
Just wanted to see
as a rematch.
Help you get that chair.
There you go, dude. There's Goku. Thank you for the awesome tip, dude. I really, really appreciate that. And thank you very much for the awesome 999. So now you saw Goku. Curly Zoo, how's it going? It's going. I'm here, so it's going good, I guess. Join us on Discord, guys. Thanks for the awesome 5 on Super Chat. I really appreciate y'all. And thanks for the sticker, man. Dude, do that. I'm not sure. But thanks for the awesome sticker. If you guys like what we do, hit the like button, sub. Let's finish the RV. Okay, Bearish Divergence, right? I sidetracked there for a second against the MACD and the RSI. So potential action to the downside. We did get that small move down, found support at the 20 bouncing. We're not creating anything bullish right now. I don't think we're also creating anything more bearish. Let's see, actually gonna have to zoom in here. On the same island, right? This could just track onto there, slightly higher to be honest. And this will just track onto there. And this will just track onto there, right? So Bearish Divergence, strong, potential action downside, moving down slightly, trying to hold on support at the 20. Not there right now. Thank you guys for the awesome tips, guys. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you very much for that. And thanks for the support. The debt is a weird word. Yeah, I know. What?
Thanks for everything you do, Martin. We appreciate you, my man. Let's us all be blessed. Folded hands.
Yo, thank you very much for that, Dorvalis. Thank you very much for the 999 tip, and you also got Goku going out there. I really, really appreciate that. Yeah, someone said something. The debt sounds weird. I know. Had to try out. It's funny. How do we tip here without stickers? So you can tip through. Links in the description. There you can tip to Fiat, to PayPal. You can tip on Super Chat through YouTube, or you can tip through crypto via the link on OneUpCoin. Those 3 show up here on the stream, and if for some reason the crypto one's not working on OneUpCoin, you can tip through Cointree. It won't show up here on the stream. It'll just show up on the small corner that's up there on the yellow corner. I'll have to manually add it up here on the total, and I'll show whatever message you sent here on the screen. I'll bring it over and show it. But yeah, that's it. I really appreciate that. Though it is non-gender specific. Yeah, I guess. Anyways, thank you guys for the tip. I really, really appreciate the tips. Thank you very much for the awesome tips. I feel blessed that you guys really hang out here, you know, come in here, listen to what I say, basically, or what I have to say, what we have to say as a community. Chill with me for a couple hours. And yeah, I really appreciate y'all. And thank you for the support. And it's very humbling to receive the tips, the donations that you guys give the channel. So thank you very much for that. Really appreciate it. Lawn care pepper. I don't mind. Sorry, man. Lawn care prepper. Jake mines. Dude, electricity is super expensive in Mexico City. I don't mind. If I started mining, my bill would be like through the roof. I don't think mining would cover my electric bill. So that's the first CRP. Let's move on to FTM, and then after that, Aave. FTM, Aave, and then quick recap, right? I tipped you over 200. I didn't tip you over 200, bring facts. You won over 200. We actually won 100, but they became over 200. What?
Thanks, Martin. Hope your wife recovers quickly. Folded hands.
Yo, Todd, thank you very much for that, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, actually, when I took that small break on water, I wanted to check out on her. Her knuckles all bruised. She can fold her fingers, so it's not broken. She still says she's gonna basically hold on until tomorrow, see how she's doing before she decides to whether or not she wants to go see a doctor. Carol Sandra, yo, what's up? Loves NTL, Mexico City. How's the economy these days? It's okay. It's actually the peso strengthening against the dollar, so it's fine. Wife 6? No, she's not sick. She hurt her hand. And it happened like prior to the stream starting also. That's why we started late today. Like 5 minutes prior to the stream started, like I heard a loud bang. Apparently she slipped. And instead of like grabbing the door frame, she like hit it with the knuckle. And she actually opened her knuckle. It's not bleeding too much. I think it's like a scratch. But two of her knuckles were bleeding. One of them was like super swollen, so she had to remove the fingers off her hand. So it was the ring finger on the left hand. But she's okay right now, apparently. I want to check on her real quick, but we'll see. Carlos Sandra heading to Mexico Tuesday. Awesome. That's cool. I hope you enjoyed it here. Bitcoin's play with your emotions. Yeah. With everyone's emotions. Let's do FTM. I gotta keep on moving. There's a lot of requests. We actually are at 28 requests. I don't think I'm gonna take any more requests. 28's plenty of coins for tonight. It's Sunday. It's 11:13. By the time I finish this, it might be around past midnight. We'll see. But I'm closing requests. I mean, the only I'm not saying that they you need to tip or anything, but the only way I'm doing new requests if they come attached with a tip, because then I have to do them because someone tipped for them. But the queue basically for free requests is just closed. So. Again, if you guys want to skip the queue for coins on the stream, you can join us on the Discord. Just for being here on the stream, you get access to the pre-stream requests, right? So just join us on Discord. Let us know who you are. You're gonna be able to we're gonna give you access, and then prior to the stream starting, you can also request coins, right? So we queue up your coins prior to whatever one else asks for in here. And Curly Sue says Chicago here ornaments from Moroleón, Guanajuato. Interesting. And Curly, if you're on the Discord, let us know who you are. The people that donate here have access to another portion of the Discord that is for donators, and they also get pre-stream requests that take priority over the regular pre-stream requests, right? So you, as a donator, just get privilege there. And I'm thinking about doing something else with the donators, maybe a one day of the week, maybe do a hangout on a channel or a voice chat. We'll see. Just hear your voices. We're gonna have a laugh or whatever. But thinking about doing something like that. Still trying to figure out how it's going to fit into my schedule. But yo, let's do FTM. It's pumping a lot. So I don't think we're going to find anything here that is going to be bearish necessarily. It's 47% 2 days ago, 41% yesterday. And today on the opening of actually Monday, it's already pumping 7%. So it's probably over 100% if I add it up. Yeah, 125%. So it's a lot. I'm not... I don't think I'm going to find anything here. It's just overbought at 86.51, so watch out for a potential pullback. That's the only thing I could say. Let's go to the 4 hour. Coming up higher. The only thing I'm finding here, and it's some strong bearish divergence in the 1 hour. sorry, on the 4 hour, and it's on this last bit. So again, it's still super bullish, right? Chance it might not play out. A lot of people here from all over the world, man. Hi to Portland, hi to Netherlands and California and Chicago, and dude, a lot of people from all over the place. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate y'all, and thanks for the awesome support that you give to this channel. With your time, with your subs, with your likes, with your views, and the awesome donations. So really, really appreciate it. Anyways, strong bearish divergence on the 4 hour. Potential action to downside. Let's see if it's going to play out again. Super bullish still. Still overbought at 84.90. Let's just, again, not saying it's going to move down, but just watch out for it, right? There's a possibility. South Australia. Thank you for being here. What is that? Dude, yeah, Australia. You said Australia, and the first thing that came to my mind was like a Vegemite. For some reason, I'm not sure. I never tasted it. I just know it's. I want to taste Vegemite someday. I'm not sure if it's like tasty or not. But interesting. Thank you, Mr. What was it? Mr. Mahuta. Hard to say his igloo. Michael Rosario, Bali, Indonesia. Wow, interesting. They ever been here, Michael? Taste like salty bread yeast. Vegemite. I wouldn't mind that. I actually like the yeasty flavor of stuff. Overbought at 70.02. So that's it, dude. Again, nothing. We have some hidden bullish. Yeah, we have hidden bullish. From here to here, right? We had some hidden bullish. That's why this rallied a little bit. I hate going over data. There's no other way to chart this, even from back here, right? To there. This is a 1 hour, dude. So do we have nothing on the 4 hour, or did I skip the 4 hour? All right, so it had bearish divergence, and the 1 hour also had bearish divergence. Did I anchor? Yeah, great. All right, so the 1 hour, right? Bearish divergence, strong potential action to downside. We're flagging right now after this last impulse. And it looks like it's struggling a little bit. Let's see how this continues. Again, it moved down to the 20, wouldn't be bad. That move would put it at 5.63 cents. João Lima, Portugal. Awesome. I'm down. Pipe dreams added to the list. What's that, Jeffrey? Not sure what you're talking about there. John Smith, finally, a live stream. How's it going? It's going good. Thanks for being here. Much appreciated. Music stopped. Let's play something else. Oh, you're buying an island with Dorvalis? Okay. Y'all can live in your island and invite me someday. That'll be dope. Let's keep rolling. Let's move on to Aave. Alex, if you're still in the house, we're about to do Aave, man. I know you requested that. Just basically getting that part of the list. We haven't done Link or ADA. I'm going to do them towards the end. No one's requested them formally, I think. So I have skin on Link, and I know a lot of people here like ADA, so we're going to do those as well. So Aave, what's it doing, man? It's pumping a lot, apparently. So it's doing good. We're looking for some bearish divergence on Aave, which, you know, we kind of still have against the RSI, but not against the MACD. Against the MACD, we got rid of it, right? So again, there's a possibility for action to downside. Waiting for it to really determine how it's going to play out. Last thing it hit was a high at 1,995. We, 190. Dude, I'm just mixed up a number. 195.50 cents. That's where we're at. Keep, it's already on the list. It's coin 23. Just completely botched that number. 199.50. Dude, it's sitting at 273. It's almost about $100 above target, so that's fine. Again, you know, super bullish. So, you know, during a bull trend or bullish pumps, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. Let's go to the 4 hour. Who's Jesus on Discord? I'm not sure. Jesus. Okay, so we're also looking for this bearish divergence here, which we obviously killed, right? You know, pumped, went higher. We didn't have it against the MACD. Against the RSI, we did. We just deleted it. Overbought at 78.28. That's the only thing it has, right? It's overbought. It hasn't consolidated in a while now. Since January the 21st. So it hasn't really given a good area of consolidation. It could be getting some pullback. Again, just be careful with your positions, right? Uncle Reefer says he's liking Bybit. Awesome. So let's keep rolling. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Now, on the 1 hour chart, we had this bearish divergence. We did move down, hit that 20, found support, and popped. So that's fine. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Everything here is good. Everything here is going higher. There's really nothing bearish here. Here we had some bearish divergence, again, within the island, just against the MACD. But not really seeing it affecting that much. It did go down slightly and then recovered. So again, super bullish for Aave. I'm not sure what this project has going for it. Someone said the tech behind it is supposed to be really good. I think I even made a note here that there was Dot. Someone said that the thing for that was really good. Right, so then high, higher, positive, more positive, and higher on the RSI still. So all thing we have going on, and now that I zoomed in, I think where I'm seeing this, it's some hidden bullish. So from here to here, slightly higher, and then it's going from here to here. So hidden bullish divergence, probably part of the reason that we're taking a small pump. Let's see if we eventually get above the previous high. Again, nothing here. So that's it for Aave. Bought at 70.53. Cosy I suck. What's behind me? Am I collecting stuff? No, I already explained this a couple times, but that's all Lego Batman stuff. My kid comes into the office and plays with it. He doesn't play with it that much anymore. He plays more with the Minecraft stuff and the Star Wars stuff, but that's all stuff that he had that I bought for him. And that's a lot of Lego Batman stuff. And then behind me here on this other side, there's some Deadpool figurines. They're in the box. Baby Yoda, some Deadpool Funko Pop, Spider-Man Funko Pop. Some Bulls up there, Batmobile. Then a lot of Deadpool here on the side that you can't see. But that's basically what I have here. There for that, man. Yeah, Hammer Times. Go to Lunar Crush or whatever. You'll probably find something there. Right, so that's it for Aave, right? Hidden bullish. Potential moving to the upside still. Again, super bullish. So, you know, you don't want to trend against a trade. You don't want to trade against a trend. I was gonna say the opposite, but again, watch out for this. It's doing good. So, yep, that's it for this one. I'm gonna do a quick recap, I guess. Yeah, quick recap because it's 20. Every 5 coins, I'm doing a recap. So, yeah, you know. Let's go here to Bitcoin. 33,378. Oh, dude, it did break below that area slightly. Trying to hold on to it as support. Great, man. Let's see if he holds on there, man. Again, what? Half hour. I think we're clear on the half hour. Had bearish divergence to here, moved down, took that pop. You know, we're flagging. We talked about flagging. Taking a pop, everything else going higher. So nothing there. Again, another flag that we're making, right? So not super bad looking, actually. Looks very nice and tight and to the downside. So, but again, it's just 3 candles. Let's see how it's going to keep on breaking. Let's go to Ethereum real quick. A lot of people worried about Ethereum. 1,431 above its previous all-time high of 1,420. It's starting to recover. Nice for Ethereum. Again, last candle managed to hold support here above 1,420. And I'm actually going to put a line there right now. A different line than the one I have behind. And this line should be going to an all-time high. I'm going to pinpoint that in a second. And then this one would be at 1,420. Which was where the previous line was. So that has become support. Tested. And then this one is going to be the high one. And this high is at 1,476.06. There we go. So that's it for quick stuff here on Ethereum, right? What's that? What?
Aston and Yana Carnalito. Susie from Here into Crypto. Nice to meet everyone. Love the channel. I thank you for your time. Folded hands. Hope to learn lots.
Yo, Curly Sue, thank you very much for the awesome donation. I really appreciate that. Hasta mañana. Thank you for being here. I appreciate that. Yeah, thank you very much for the awesome tip. I really appreciate that. And yeah, have a great night. I hope you enjoy the content. Hope that you sub. Join us on the Discord. Links in the description. And yeah, if you keep coming here for sure. Just if you have any question, let me know. Thank you very much for that. Jake says that we're less than 100 to 2,000 subs. Yeah, probably. Daniel Aminati, thank you very much for being here. Much appreciated. I'm not even sure how many subs we're at right now. We're like at 1,904 when we started the stream. We were there a couple minutes ago when I checked, but 1,917. Jen, pretty cool. Thank you all for being here. I really appreciate it. If you're liking the content, hit the like button, sub. Why not, right? Help the channel grow. That's for Ethereum. Up next, Dash, PRQ, Keep, Luna, and Nexo. That's what's next. Right, I think this is the actual look at, so. Sorry about that. Hitting bullish divergence. Actually, the opposite. We're hitting a resistance at the 50% retrace. We have not moved much since. We're still in this channel, right? That 50% retrace at 108 to 103 support. Actually sitting at 108.41, slightly below there. Nick says we wish you could live and sub more. That's awesome. Thank you, man. I really appreciate the support. Let's see, night. Yo, thank you for being here. That's crazy. You gotta work at 4 a.m. Probably it's like midnight for you already. But I start at 9 p.m. Central, so if you want to join me here, that's awesome. I'm here every night, except when like something happens. But I'm usually here every night, including Sundays and Saturdays. So even holidays. I was even here on Christmas night and New Year's night, New Year's Eve, and Christmas Eve night. I'm here always, usually. So bring facts. I cannot say that, dude. That was actually crazy, dude. Let's go to the 4 hour. What do we have? Bullish divergence, action to the upside. So we got that small pop. Again, rejecting that 50%. What we at here, man? We go slightly higher, yeah. I'm not gonna call anything here yet. I just wanted to see this line again, the chart mainly, because I'm not sure. Gotta look again to make sure it's what I thought I saw. So I'll leave it there. And high to low, yeah, definitely some hit bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. That's why we're struggling to get above that 50% at 100 and, what is it, 108.72. Jake, awesome tip, bro. I really, really appreciate that. Join the MF Discord. Yo. Thank you, man.
Join the MF Discord crypto fam.
Oh, thank you very much for that awesome tip, dude. I really appreciate that. Jake, you're solid, man. You're like, you help out a lot in the channel, man. I really, really appreciate that tip. And thanks for all the support that you give to this channel. Also, guys, if you don't know, Bitcoin Jake has a channel on YouTube. He does top 10 subreddits. You should go check it out. This top 10 subreddits for Bitcoin. Danielle saying bye. Thank you for being here, Danielle. I appreciate that. Dash, let's keep rolling again. Bearish Divergence, action downside, right? Finding some support, that's fine. Low, high, higher, neutral at 49.46. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour, right? We had this strong bullish divergence. We started to move up, rejected again the 50, which is fine. Got above it, created strong bearish divergence, right? Bring facts. I miss comedy. Central? Comedy Central? Once I get the stream deck, I'm actually going to be able to play a sweet soundboard so I can play sounds throughout the stream. So strong bearish divergence, moving down slightly, and then we created more strong bearish divergence. All right, strong bearish divergence, potential action downside again, moving down, hitting that support at 103.63, almost spot on. The low was 103.68. We have it at 103.63, so 5 cents off. It's pretty good. To me, in my book, that's a hit. 64.06, 64.44, slightly higher. We don't have it against the RSI. And then low, high, negative, more negative, some hidden bullish divergence. Right, that's what we're pumping at support, right? Also have it against the RSI here. Hidden bullish, I should have the upside, taking that small pop. Failed to go higher on the previous high yet and rejecting the 50%. So, you know, it could be that we want to move down a little bit. We'll see. It wouldn't be weird if we move down and try to break this area again with a little bit more strength. Something asked something here. Weird. Lexon, be honest with me. Is it possible that Bitcoin double to 80K this year? Anything is possible, bro. It's also possible that it might crash, right? Again, short-term goals. No one could have foreseen the effects of COVID. I don't think we have seen the full effects of COVID. We don't know how much more the dollar is going to keep on weakening or if it's going to strengthen, right? There's going to be a lot of things going on, dude. Poor consolidation. Yeah. It's not looking too strong, right? It's just moving sideways, so. Again, I'm not like super bullish or bearish right now for Dash. It's just moving sideways. Montara, my tip banner's locked up. What do you mean? I'm not sure what that means. My tip banner is locked up. Which tip banner? It has you as the highest tip, but you're not. I'm not sure. Let me check the banner, dude. I can't see what's going on here. No, it has you as the last donation that has gone, that has come through. Right? Not the highest donation, just last donation. That's if you tip through fiat or crypto, right? Meaning PayPal or crypto, on the links that are in the description, right? So PayPal or OneUpCoin, it goes up there. If you tip through Super Chat, it goes over there. Over there, and it's right below the screen. So that's where I could place it right now. I need to find a new layout because Super Chat wasn't. I didn't know Super Chat didn't get registered up there, but it's registering up there in the corner. So yeah, you're like Bitcoin Jack, for example, $2 is the last tip that came through, and that's actually listed over there in the corner. And then if you tip through CoinTree, I have to manually put it up here, and that's the one on yellow. But that's what's going on, right? So yeah. I know you weren't the highest tip. It doesn't say highest tip. It just says last donation. That's the last donation that came in either through PayPal or crypto on OneUpCoin. But thanks for letting me know. Well, now that you know everything here. I'm kidding. Let's keep rolling. That's it for Dash. I'm not seeing anything right now. Let's move on to PRQ. Or, yeah, PRQ. Parsec or whatever this project is. PRQ. Sounds like something out of the radio station. Join us at PRQ. Oh, it's all good, you know. Like, that's just transparency, right? Explaining stuff. Yo, Eddie Murphy. Yeah, and the 80s would be really fun, dude. I would be down to watch some of that. Or early Chris Rock. Or, yeah. Or early Chappelle would also be fine. PRQ. On the daily. Right, we're making some kind of bearish divergence. We still had it to here. After we looked for it. Potential actually downside, we move down. Then we try to recover. Still lower than the previous high. But that's fine. Between that 1618 and that 2618. I'm not seeing a lot going on here on the daily. So bought at 63.29. Let's go to the 4 hour actually. Wow, it's crazy, Jake. It's a lot of space. They're doing a Coming to Americas too. It's gonna be funny, dude. They did a Hocus Pocus tour. Are they doing a Hocus Pocus tour or something like that? Anyways, what do we had here? Bearish Divergence on the 16th of January. And then we moved down, hit that 20, taking a pop, and then we went higher. Great. Probably created more Bearish Divergence by then. More strong Bearish Divergence. Action downside, moving down that. Then we created some hidden bullish. Did I anchor this in the 4 hour? To begin with, the first thing I gotta do, right? Did I anchor this in the 4 hour? Otherwise it's gonna be messy. Yeah, I did. Great. Alright. I want to go to the 1 hour and then have everything here like be botched. So then we created some hidden bullish. Took that small rally, that's great. Higher low in the first low. Everything's good there. Popping high low, positive high low, nothing bearish here. Not even within the same island. Then we moved lower. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low. Slightly higher. Neutral at 49.49. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. June Kangi, thank you for being here, man. Koi Kon Lao. I would love to look at BAT, but I already closed requests for coins. I have 30 coins I gotta look at. I'm at 22 already, so, and it's almost like 20 minutes to midnight. So I think by the time I do the last coin, it's probably gonna be past 12:30. We'll see. All right, so I mean, I do want to do it for you. Join us on the Discord. You can do pre-stream requests. They'll be pre-queued up, right? And you know, that way I don't have to tell you guys no, right? I'm personally bull or bear on the market. Right now I'm bullish on the market. I'm long in a lot of projects, so. And when I say long, I'm not talking about like, you know, margin trading or, you know, using leverage or anything like that. I'm like literally long. I'm buying crypto for the long term. So I'm long on crypto. Tomorrow, yeah, sure. Come in early, let me know, or join the Discord. Let me know on the Discord, and for sure I'll do it, right? Anyways, let's move to PRQ. Last thing we had was this bullish back here. We took that small pop. Again, felt to go higher in the previous high. We talked about what happens when, you know, we get that going on. And then, you know, we just drop lower here. Let's get this in the 1 hour. I'm just going to go really quick through Parsec, because I got to go through a lot of stuff. Very slight hidden bearish here. Moving down a little bit. Tube seller, thank you for being here.
Please do TA for Uni and say hi to Eddie K.
Hi, Eddie K. Thank you for being here, tube seller, and thank you for the awesome $5 tip, man. I really appreciate that. Hi, Eddie K. And what else? Yeah, Uni was already on the list, so basically it just give the queue, right? So it now went from coin 28 to project 23, basically. We're gonna do it right after I finish this one. Anyways, hidden bearish, moving down on that, great. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Yeah, from here, right? So even here coming down is less negative, so it won't matter. I can anchor it from this island and still be the same thing. Oh, I'm just getting warnings that the chart's too large and now will not be saved. I'm gonna have to go and delete stuff on all their charts, like really old stuff. That's what I've been doing. Like I had stuff from like January 2020 on some charts. I just been going back and deleting some of those. I can clear up space on the charts because, you know, TradingView just being really picky about like space, I guess. We'll get this move from here to here and here to here again. Hidden bearish, hidden bullish. Sorry, took that nice pop. Or sorry, strong bullish. Here's strong bullish. Here's strong bullish. I'm sorry. I'm sure if the tongue twisted. I'm not sure if I said hidden the first time, but it's strong bullish now. More strong bullish. Action to the upside. Great. Now that that's cleared, let's keep moving. High to low. Lots of positive high to low. Nothing bearish here. Here we created some strong bearish divergence, and I'll show you in a second. It should be, this one should be very evident. They're coming from this high to this low here. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD, with that we're going to move to the downside. We created some hidden bullish, I believe, for that action to the upside. So from here to here, the same as from here to here. I'm actually going to measure 18420. Yeah, slightly more, but struggling with that. There we go. And we also have it here against the RSI, hidden bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. So that's it. Low, lower, negative, less negative, strong bullish divergence here on the tail part of the chart, or where we're at right now, basically. There we go. And let me put the mouse over here. There you go, right? So that's it. Strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. We're gonna have resistance at the 20. That'll be the primary target. 20 sitting at 1.40. Project at 1.37 right now. Target to the upside again, 236, and it's up here at 172. And down here, support at 107 in case we still reject the 20 and want to move lower. That's it for Parsec. Up next, Uni. Let's skip the queue. Near to Bitcoin, there we go. Uni $2, there we go. It's on the daily. Okay, Uni, someone's giving me grief earlier because they said made a bad call. We had some bearish divergence. It was up to here yesterday, but we're still pumping and we still have it against the RSI. That's fine, you know. There's a chance that we might go down. On the 4 hour, we also had it, right? But I deleted it already because I did a quick cover on it when we were talking about it. But you know, it was basically from here to somewhere around here probably, and then we're coming from high to like slightly low, or high to slightly low here on the RSI. And with that, we had bearish divergence. We obviously pumped and got rid of it, and that's fine. We don't have anything else here. We're overbought at 80.17 on the RSI. But remember, during bull trends, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. But on the 1 hour. Last thing we called here, or last thing I have here on the 1 hour, and that would have been from the 23rd at 6, would be this bullish divergence here, hidden for action to the upside. So we didn't call anything bearish since. So we're probably up here, and we were like more positive and higher. So I didn't delete anything from the 1 hour chart, but that's fine. I gotta look at this and make it larger. Higher. One quick second, guys. I'm back. Thank you guys for sticking with me through that small break. I'm not sure if I left the music off when I stood up for a second. I think I didn't. I think I left it on. But thank you guys for being here. Anyways, I was looking for something here. It wasn't this. Here, higher probably. Hello, right? Some right now on uni. I'm just gonna go from here to here real quick. And again, this is a potential bearish divergence that we're doing, right? High to low. Potential bearish divergence, action to the downside. Again, just watch out. It's starting to stall a little bit, right? It's strong bearish divergence. Just watch out for it. Could bring it moving down. It has been going up insanely. It has not really pulled back down. Sorry about that. Wife came in and knocked at the door real quick, so she wanted me to shoot me out with the tea, and I just basically saw how her finger was doing. It was good. So that's it for uni. Tube seller, thank you very much for the awesome tip. That's uni, and let's keep rolling. Now Luna, and after Luna, I'll do a recap because coins got shifted. So. How am I doing? I'm good. Grant, thank you for being here. Much appreciated, bro. I'm doing awesome. Jake's afraid that, dude, he's not going to be cheaper. You want more? I also want more, dude. Beautiful day for markets. Yeah, it started beautiful. Let's see how it keeps going, right? Anyways, let's go to a near. No, it wasn't near. What was it that we were going to look at? Keep. No. Keep, actually. Keep was next, and then Luna. So I skipped Keep. Keep and then Luna. There we go. So Keep is going higher. We didn't have anything here on the 1 hour, except for the bullishness down here. Let's go to the daily. Let's see what we had. We didn't have anything here. We actually had a large wick, and came down to support the 50%, 382, bouncing, rejecting that 786. High low, positive, high low. Bought at 61.45. Let's go to the 4 hour. Ethereum better pump. Yo. I hope so, man. It would be good for crypto in general, right? What do we have here? Hidden bullish. Action to the upside. We failed to drop lower than this low. No, we actually dropped lower than this low, I think. Yep. So from here to here, we went lower. Oh my goodness. Oh no, it's going to crash. No, it's not. At least not right now. It has this strong bullish divergence for action to the upside. We're starting to get that action to the upside. We rejected that 786 2 times already, so that's not precisely good, but it doesn't have anything bearish right now, at least. High low, positive, high low on the other side. Bought at 61.49. Let's go to the 1 hour. I'm actually gonna have to zoom in here. Weird. Here we had bullish divergence, strong to the pop, rejected 20, and then we drop more. Great. So I get this here on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, and then a little high, and negative to positive, right? So that's what I was looking at here. This bullish divergence, direction to the upside. Great. It's great, man. There we go. Awesome. Let's see what else. High low. Yeah, hidden bearish. That's what we reversed here. And also against the R side in the MACD, right? So hidden bearish, moving down. Low high, negative less, negative low. High, that's good. Nothing here. Just here on this last bit, some strong bullish divergence, but almost, it's just barely there. It was this project at 31.52 cents, right? So not too bad. We have it here. Yeah, we also seem to have it here against the RSI, right? From right here. Potential action to the upside, going up. Great. I gotta check here, zoom in, and see where we're at. So higher, right? On this. High, slightly higher. We're also coming higher and higher on the RSI. That's fine. Nothing bearish right now. You just hit resistance, and right now starting to consolidate. Maybe the half hour might have something there on Keep, but I'm not sure. Nope, don't seem like he has anything there either. So again, it's just now consolidating, which is again fine. Not worried about it yet. Yeah, no worries, Nick. Again, it's still in the channel, right? That's 76 to 618, so it's a large channel, but still there. Now let's go do Luna. Luna. After this one, we're gonna do recap. Oh, the only Luna we have is against Bitcoin, so that's what we got requested. So we'll go with this one, I guess. No one, I don't think it was requested against a particular pair in particular, in particular against any pair. So we're gonna check it out here. We had bearish divergence, action to downside. We're moving down, great. You know, it's fine. Sorry, strong bearish divergence, action to downside, moving down, awesome. Let's go to the 4 hour. Last one we had here on the 4 hour, strong bearish divergence, action to downside, move down, try to recover, failed to get higher than the previous high, I guess. Let's see. About the same high, I would think. Yeah. Yeah, it seems that we're just going sideways here on the price. So. There we go. And we are coming from high to low, right? So not hidden, medium bearish divergence, action to downside, started to move down, trying to go for that 20. Last thing we had was hidden bullish again, created that bearish, move down, more bearish. Let's see if we're gonna hit that 20. Luna to $1. Sure. So let me get out of here and let's go to the dollar. So again. Keegan, I'm still streaming. Yeah. Thank you for asking. And yeah. Right on. Oh, dude, let's check this out. At 90 cents. Great. Bearish divergence, strong. Potential action to downside. Move down. Awesome. I'm sure that move down is starting to recover right now. A little bit. So, hello. Hello, right. Strong bearish divergence. Try to recover. Again, I would say we're moving sideways here on the price, more or less. Yeah, looks like it could be sideways motion. And we'll be going from high to low right now. But it's about to undo this, right? It has strong bearish divergence. If this starts to make positive momentum, we'll see how much positive momentum it makes. Now we're anchoring from positive to negative. We want to anchor from positive to positive momentum, but it is going from positive to zero almost, right? It works sometimes, but it's better when you have it from one island to another one. We'll see how that goes. Let's go to the 4 hour. All right, so in the 4 hour, we're coming higher, positive, and higher on the other side, so that's fine. Then let's go back here, high, low, positive was positive, high, low, great, nothing here. Let's go here, hidden bullish, that's what I can see right now. From here to here. Here, and here's slightly lower, so it's all over the place, man. Hidden bullish, action to the upside. That's what we're getting. Nothing else. Neutral at 57.86. Let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour is creating a strong bearish divergence right now. So action to downside, right? From here to here, and from high to low on the RSI as well. So strong bearish divergence, action to downside. Starting to move down. Target right now would be the 20 at 88.88. Bought at 60.94. Do we have something bullish here? Yeah, hidden bullish. Here to here. And from here to here. Right, so hidden bullish. Then we created that strong bearish. Again, potential moving down. Maybe target the 20. Right, that's the target right now, potentially. Let's go on the daily. Check out some fibs. I'm not even going to be able to fib this. We're not doing a valid retrace. So the only one I can do is from high to low right now. High to low. And we're hit that 2618 and we rejected it. So we're between that 2618 and that 1618. That's it for Luna. Quick recap. Let's go to Bitcoin. 1-hour Bitcoin. Is it still holding? It's trying to hold, man. 2 minutes to candle close. I'm gonna stay here on Bitcoin. I want to see if it holds on to 33,309. We're at 33,308. Come on, pump a little bit. I mean, really, closing at 33,380, it's almost like closing at, we're still within $1 from 33,309, so it could be considered to be closing there. Missed a lot of chat. Thank you all for being here and being awesome supporters of this channel. I really appreciate y'all. If you like what we do, hit like the button, sub again. Thank you for being here, joining us. Join us on Discord. Links also in the description. Alex, I'm not sure what you're talking about. Stage 1 base, stage 2 uptrend, stage 3 top. Yeah, dude. We like the market's still super bullish, right? So just because we got pullback doesn't mean it's the end. Yo, thank you, MHal99 for the awesome comment. I really appreciate that. Thanks to mods for being here, dude. I really appreciate the mods. They do help out a lot, actually. What? Something's going crazy here. Oh, I saw a lot of talk on the mod chat, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Ain't unset sauce. Yeah, sauce is gonna be on the next one. So up next, Nexo sauce, Tezos, Lincoln 88. That's what we're gonna close with. So it's gonna be 30 projects plus the recaps. So thank you all for being here. Any advice for people holding long term? If you're gonna hold long term, why do you want advice, bro? Yeah, that's your advice. If you're holding long term, you really don't care what the market's gonna do right now because you're long term, right? You're talking about years. Does it really matter what Ethereum's like? If you put in a wallet and you know lock it somewhere else, if you're holding for long term, you really don't care about what's happening to the project on a day-to-day basis, right? This is more for the people that are actually trading on a day-to-day basis. We just kind of want to know where the market's gonna go because it's nice, right? Senegal, Ethereum Classic. Dude, I'm already closed requests. So far, the stream has been going live for 2 hours and 52 minutes. And we've done, right now, 25 projects, plus recaps. So I'm not taking any more requests right now at Senegal. But if you join me tomorrow and request it earlier, I will do it for sure, man. Right. Right now, I'm actually like thinking about like how we're going to close down the stream and, you know, what we're going to recap and, you know, sit here for a little bit. Discuss things with y'all after I finish the analysis, but that's about it, dude. I'm not really looking for anything else on analysis right now, right? So I already got like my queue of analysis there. Like the only way I would take an analysis right now, and again, I'm not asking for tips or anything like that. It's if it comes attached to a tip, right? So if someone like gives a tip and asks me to do a project, I would do it just because they gave a tip. But for requests right now, for the free ones, it's already closed, right? So, you know, because I'm already doing 30 projects, man. Ethereum jumping. Yeah, Bitcoin's also jumping. Look at this. It gapped up on the opening a little bit and starting to move up. So, like, my question right now is Bitcoin closing? Did it close the gap, right? On here. It did, apparently. Did we wick it? I'm gonna have to zoom in here a little bit more. Yeah, we closed the gap that we left on Friday. So gap closed, right? This gap's closed on the CME. Now it's anybody's game. I'm gonna go to Ethereum. A while, Alex. The answer is a while. And you still take hits. Everyone takes hits. I take hits still. So yeah. Ethereum's still strong. Let's go to the 1 hour Ethereum. Last hour it did fine, right? It's holding above 1,420 right now, going red a little bit, but you know, still doing good. It's just moving sideways right now. It's really trying to find this footing before it actually moves again. It does have bearish divergence, right? That's the last thing we had. Nothing bullish. Bought at 69.06. Look, Alex, dude. You asked how long it took me to get good at trading. You gotta start. First of all, start with paper trading, right? Then jump into actual trading. By then, you'll probably have a strategy that you more or less can rely on, and you can fine tune while doing paper trading. Kitty Kush, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Thanks for the kind comment. And paper trade, then get into the market. You're probably gonna get wrecked with your strategy a couple times. You just gotta keep on fine tuning it. And again, what works for me might not work for you, right? People have different strategies that work for them. So it's also, trading is a very personal thing. Paper trading, yeah, it just means that you're not really putting cash into it. Like you're pretend trading. There's plenty of platforms that let you do paper trading. So it's like you would right now put an in to buy Ethereum right now because you think it's going to go up, because your strategy is telling you it's going to go up. And then you're just basically trading with play money. Paper trading, it's a way to trade or test your strategy without actually going to the market with a strategy that's not tested and you getting wrecked, right? Yeah, it's like practice. It's actually, yeah, it's like practice, but it's more like to test your strategy and see if it's going to work. Yeah. You really don't want to go hit the market without a strategy that you have not tested, because you're very likely going to get wrecked. You always want to test your strategy. You want to have your, yeah, no problem. You always want to test your strategies, right? Anyways, Ethereum, not a lot. Moving down a little bit. Let's go do Nexo. You got to keep on moving. I think it'll drop. I think it's going to hold 1,420 right now, maybe. I mean, I'm not seeing anything bearish on the 1 hour. I was just waiting for it to do something, right? It's just been sideways more or less since we started the stream. We started the stream here, and look, it just went down a little bit, went up a little bit, but it's almost where we started the stream. So if you're asking me right now, I'm not sure if it's going to drop. It doesn't have. It has this bearish divergence. It could be consolidation before we actually run up again. I'm not sure, dude. Right now, it's not really clear. Right? If it keeps holding on to 1,420, I think we could be good. We'll see. Nexo. That's pretty cool, Nick. I hope that works for you, man. It's a trading Bible. That's cool, man. Holding Ethereum and Bitcoin 1 year. Holding both. So I'm not sure, man. Up to you. Why does it have to be one or the other, dude? Right? If you're like, when you buy both, you're diversifying a little bit. So why would you want to be stuck with just one if you can like get two, right? I mean, diversify your portfolio. And also just make sure you're not heavily just into crypto. You have to diversify between other assets as well, or other classes of assets. Trix Lanka says he's holding cry. Yo, on the daily, what do we have here? We're looking for this sideways motion. We kind of lost that. Sorry about that, guys. We're slightly higher when doing the stream here on Nexo, but here we go now. All right, still we are not there. So whatever kind of bearish divergence we're looking for here, we no longer have now. What we do have is short-term bearish divergence. So from here to here, right? And then this will just go from here to here, slightly higher. I think. Slightly lower. We'll see in a second. And then here in the short term is definitely coming lower. I gotta adjust the MACD one. I gotta see where it's at. Yeah, high to slightly lower. So strong bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. We're hitting it at a resistance. That would be our previous 100%, right? Or where we started at our previous high here. And we're at 0.72 cents. We're right now at 0.7297. We're at 7220. It's not too far. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence, action to the downside. That's fine. Low, high, negative, more negative. Hidden bullish. Hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. Great. Don't have it against the other side, just against the MACD. Give it a small pump, high, low, possible is positive, high on the other side, low point, nothing here, neutral at 55.24. That is it for this right now in the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Kind of follow the Wu-Tang Clan's modified buys. Yeah. Almost at 2K. Julian, yeah, almost at 2K, man. I'm not sure. Well, I'm not sure how far I am. Uh, 1,921. So we haven't like really cracked out. We really have not cranked up the subs tonight. It's just like mellow, I guess, for subs. Like not even 20, I think, right now. But if you guys like the content, you like what we do, hit the like the button, the sub, right? I mean, we're here. We enjoy doing crypto analysis. I'm here every night, so. Tricks Linecast, here being Sushi will be the most bullish in 2021. Maybe, dude, I'm not sure. But we'll see. When 2021 is over, who was the most bullish? So Nexo on the 1 hour. So from here, I'm looking at some bearish divergence, right? Strong for potential action to the downside. It did break down a little bit, but I'll tell you, like, I'll take it by parts so you can follow easy. You guys can follow along easier. And from here to here, this line would just basically go to there because it's one island to the next, right? But I'm doing it in parts so you can see what's happened, right? So here we had bearish divergence, we moved down, then we created more bearish divergence, and then we really took a smaller, larger drop. But then this time we also make it against the RSI. So we have it against MACD and the RSI. So we move down. Then we're taking a small pump. We probably created something here. I'm gonna check in a second. But we're going higher. Right, and look, even from here, possible is positive. But you really want to anchor this from here. I just don't want to have a lot of data going through the chart, so I'm just going to anchor from here. It still plays. I know what I'm looking at, and it helps me keep the charts not so cluttered. Anyways, neutral at 53.24. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the other side to a slightly higher point, maybe some hidden bullish here. I'm not sure. Let's go here. Yeah, some hidden bullish from here to here. From here to here, hidden bullish divergence action to the upside, and going up on that, hitting that 20, trying to get above it on Nexo. That's fine. Broke out of a slight upsloping channel a little bit. That's fine, dude. Not worried about Nexo yet. Right, it just looks like we're going sideways a little bit here. So the 4 hour might be able to see it a little bit better, but yeah, not super worried for Nexo, dude. Let's go to the SOS. SOS. Thank you, Alex, for that some sub. It's been a slow weekend. Yeah, dude, I said that on Friday, right? I said, look, I hope we get a slow weekend. I kind of regret saying that. I want a slow weekend because then I wouldn't have to be looking at the chats. Sorry, not the chats. At the someone said sauce. I'm not finding it as a project, man. I just find it as a currency. If you requested sauce, let me know if it's this one, because you know it's freaking weird. Trakes, I'm not taking any new requests, bro. I'm like finishing these things right now. Tomorrow, though, if you come in tomorrow earlier or join the Discord, let me know, and I can, like, check out Wi-Fi. But right now, I'm just basically running out the last couple coins that we have. Now, Tesla's linking ADA. Someone said sauce, but it's not coming up. So if you requested sauce earlier, sorry, man, I couldn't find it. Tezos. All right, so Tezos on the daily. We're looking for bearish divergence up here. We did end up getting it. Action to the downside. We are moving down on that. That's fine. We moved down, found support at 3.04. Now trying to bounce back up, and we have resistance here. That would be the 382 at $3.14. Right now sitting at $3.12. So that's fine. Again, strong bearish divergence. We got that move. Found support. Trying to move up. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, look, we were looking for this bearish divergence here when we did this, and we still have it to there. It still goes to there. Action to the downside. We're moving down, hitting that 20. Finding that support at 3.04 and getting above it, right? So nice. A little high negative, less negative, low on the rest of the R point. Nothing there. Neutral at 53.98. Let's see if we can get Teslas to pump up a little bit more. I think my fibs are not coming through to the 1 hour, so that should work. Anyways, rejected that 382 once. Let's see if we can manage to go up again. We're still bouncing out at 20, which is okay. Let's go to the 1 hour. Teslas. We had strong bearish divergence to here. A couple more candles, still had it. Action to the downside, broke down on that. Great. Now even here against the RSI, just very short term here, we created also that strong bearish divergence for action to the downside. So from here to here. All right, so. Dude, you just gotta do some reading. You need some cash that you're not gonna be mad if you lose. Yo, Todd, thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. I'm about to finish the stream and just 2 more projects, and that's it. Might stay read the chat a little bit, but that's gonna be it. So yeah, you need to have some disposable income. Frivetta, thank you for being here. Much appreciated. Have a strategy first of all. Read some books, and we'll see how it's gonna go. Right, Trix Lanka, I'm not gonna do Wi-Fi, bro. Come in early, man. Go on the Discord, request it early, man. I'm already closed out the request, man. Requesting it more is not gonna make me do it, man. Packy Player, what's up, man? How's it going? Thanks for being here. Let's keep rolling. Bearish divergence, action to downside, moving down. Great. Low, high. I'm not gonna call this. Just right here. And from here to here. All right, some bullish divergence, strong action to the upside. Getting that small pump. Great. Hidden resistance, moving down. High, low, positive, high, low. Here to here, I didn't want to call this one, but we do have some hidden divergence here to here. And it'll be from here to here. Hidden bullish, took that small pop, rejected, went down, created a strong bullish, trying to rally on that. Let's see how strong that's going to be for Tezos. Oh, link now. Any book? Yeah, you can read stuff by Volkowski, Thomas Volkowski. That'll be good. There's other books by other guys. Pre-stream stuff, but let me go here, find some books. I'll tell you in a second. What I have here, dude. Short course in technical analysis by Perry J. Kaufman would be also good to read. Trading Tools and Tactics by Greg Capra would also, or might work for you. Something by Mark Minervini might also work for you. Ralph Binns, Scott M. Carney. No, there's a lot of books out there, man. Really depends on what you want, what you're looking for, right? But you gotta put the effort of reading and coming out with a strategy. Yeah, no worries. Thanks for the sub. Who's subbed right now? Thanks for the sub, Deep Thene. Much appreciated. Oh, let's keep rolling here. So Tesla's Dawn link. I'm looking at link here. We hit a high of 25.46. Let's start with the daily, man. It's gonna be easier. We're looking for some bearish divergence. Link almost hit $26 today. That's pretty wild. It got very close. 25.83. We're looking for some bearish divergence. We did get a movement down yesterday throughout the day, and then we closed at 0. And now today we're opening up again. So it could be that we're playing off that. We'll still have this bearish divergence though, right? Again, I'm just worried about it. Not worried about it. I'm just watching out for it. Bought at 66.01. So let's go to the 4 hour. We had the bearish divergence move down slightly, now taking a new pump. What we're doing with that is we're going from high to a slightly higher high. And again, the link wants to head for that 1618, right? That's the yellow line that I have up here at $27. And there's a target that we were looking for. Here, high to low. Also here, high to low, right? So that divergence is still very much in play. Right, this strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. Let's go to the 1 hour. Don't forget to anchor on the 4. Why, dude? I'm starting to get really tired now. I guess that's probably it. Also, haven't had dinner. Didn't have dinner tonight. Here it looks like we're moving sideways, and it closed at 25.37, 25.38. Again, it's a cent higher. So we could just say, we'd say we're moving higher there. There we go, man. That works. And we're coming from a high point to a low point, right, on the MACD and on the RSI. So medium bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside, and we're starting to see that move down. We might go to the 20, try to find support. The 20 being at 24.60. If we bounce there, we could be trying to go for a new pump. We'll see what happens then. Here we created some strong bullish divergence before we actually start to get that new rally coming in on the link, right? So from here to here, and from here to here. That's why link is pumping. That's it for link. Let's go to ADA. Let's do ADA, man. ADA to $1. ADA hidden bullish, action to the upside again, still in the channel, 3702 to 3388. Not really doing a lot. It did pump a little bit, try to get out of that area, but not really getting out of there. Bought at 61.33. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour, hidden bullish, action to the upside. Great. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Nothing here. Here, high, higher, positive, positive, high, higher. High, low, positive, less positive, high, low. Nothing. Neutral, 53.30. Again, just sideways motion, right? We're in a channel, so we're not really doing much. And the 1 hour, dude, what do? We run the channel still. Yeah, we created some bearish divergence here. 5 in the morning, strong bearish divergence, action to the downside. But we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. And with that, we moved down, found support. Did we create some divergence at all? Nope. Yeah, I did against RSI. Against RSI, some hidden bullish. So low to high. And the high point here to a lower point here. So hidden bullish, actually the upside, taking that small movement up. High, low, positive, high, low. Nothing bearish right now. Moving down, hitting that 20. Again, in a channel, right? ADA is not doing a lot. Back to Bitcoin. 33,363. Wow, it's bouncing. Awesome. Right where we said. Look, Bitcoin, very nice. Holding support at 33,909. So actually the lowest point we hit was 33,318. So it's like $9 from target, but that's close enough, right? Where do we close here? 33,000. 197. Very close. Yeah, 30,313. Like $4 of target here on this close. That's it for tonight, guys. I'm just gonna hang out in the chat a little bit, see what's going on. The last hello, didn't you say we're gonna do separate videos for the news eventually soon? Yes, that is on the works. Tisa, thank you very much for the awesome tip. I just want to come up on the chat, but it's not being come out here on the whole thing. Sorry, guys.
Thanks for your hard work, bro.
Much appreciated. Yeah, I should be doing something with the news. I'm just trying to find the time, like when I'm going to do it, how I'm going to do it. It has to be pre-recorded. That's not going to be on live. It's just going to be a video that I got to record. I don't have time to go through video editing, so I got to do it one shot. And I'm still trying to figure out the format for that because it's going to be separate. Before I used to do the news and then the technicals. Like got all the news out of the way. At first it was mixed, right? I did the news for Bitcoin, then I did the analysis for Bitcoin, then I did the news for Ethereum, then I did the analysis for Ethereum. It wasn't working. Then I did all news. Yes, Dorvalis, I did. Then I did all the news for altcoins, and then I started doing just the technicals. But some people started saying, look, just do the technicals. And I kind of left the news on the side, and that was like last year. So this 2020, somewhere mid 2020, I just started doing technicals, and after that, I kept wanting to do the news. I just don't have time, right? So I just got to figure out how or when I'm gonna do the news. Because when I did the news, it took prep. Before the stream started, I had to come in like an hour and a half earlier, go through articles, start looking at the news. Then I would make my small notes and go through the articles basically with small notes, or to the important parts of the articles with the small notes. And then I would do the analysis, but right now I don't have time. If I'm uploading while I'm streaming, it's probably gonna kill my broadband connection for the uploading, or for my uploading capacity, I guess. You think I should do whatever I feel like on the day? I want to do the news someday, dude. I just haven't found the time for it. Yeah. All the, what's that? What's my next target for subs? Tristan, probably 2,500. It might be a minor one. Then 5,000, probably another minor one. Then the next large one, probably 10K. That's a while. That's right far away, I think. I hope it comes really soon. But if I'm a realist, it's going to take a lot of time for people to start hearing about this channel. That's why I always tell you towards the end, if you guys like the content, talk to crypto about to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers, and let them know that we are here. Your immediate circle of friends could be the easiest people that could come in and join, right? 10K is a big number. Yeah, I know. Look, if everyone that's subscribed to the channel, they're almost 2,000 people. If everyone brought 2 people to YouTube to watch crypto videos, it would be really cool, right? Because then we would go from like almost 2K to 6K like that. But you know, that's not the case. Doesn't do well. Orihon, do I provide signals? No. Thanks for asking though. Nick Coltish, you'll be sharing the channel with your crypto friends. Thank you, man. Yeah, it's cool, man. I mean, yeah, if you guys support the channel, that's why I always say it. Like, you know, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. And we really want to create an awesome channel here. Soka says 10K is a big number. I know. And yeah, Bitcoin's starting to move down, right? Below 33,209. Oh no, it's not holding support anymore. Now it's support at 33,090. Unless we reclaim this area again. Do we do something bearish here in a half hour? Did you just like do something here? No. Nope, nothing bearish in the short term. So it's just consolidating. It's just moving down slightly more. That probably means Ethereum's also probably moving slightly down. So let me check out Ethereum. Yeah, see, again, support at 1,400, 1,420. Lows we hit, well, it's 1,421.15. It's very close. We have 162 thumbs up. That's great, man. That's awesome. Actually, 186. I'm seeing 186 thumbs up. That's pretty wild. But again, thank you for coming here and joining me and being awesome supporters of the channel and helping me build this awesome crypto community, man. Again, if you guys like what we do, hit the like button. We're here every night. 189 now. 190. I'm not sure. I'm seeing 189 right now. But thank you for the likes, guys. YouTube likes the likes. I think someone was telling me that likes are more important than subscribers because you can only subscribe once to a channel, but you can like every video, right? So if you like every video, YouTube knows that you're liking the content and it'll very likely recommend it to other people that have similar tastes as to what you see. So the algorithm will see that as, oh, this user is liking this content. This other user sees or watches similar content, and then it'll like, you know, basically recommend the channel to that person, and that person might click on it. So that's interesting. The like button is going insane. Yeah, it's going parabolic. Hey, Coltish, it's consolidating, just profit taking. Yeah. It's going parabolic, Soka. It's insane. Bitcoin might be pulling back up a little bit. Ethereum seems to be pulling back up a little bit. Yeah. Erdak says the YouTube algorithm is so strong, it knows what you're gonna watch before you watch it, probably. James Turner, Reef. Dude, I'm not gonna do projects right now. I'm just chilling. I just went through like 3 hours and 23 minutes gauntlet of projects. We just finished 30 projects and a lot of recaps, man. I think we recapped Bitcoin at least 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And Ethereum at least, 3 to 4 times. So if I look at everything that we've done, even the small recaps, we looked at 39 things already, dude. So I'm like, just taking it chill. Like, yeah. So James, I'm not gonna be able to do the reef right now, man. But if you want me to do reef, I would like go on the Discord, let me know tomorrow before the stream starts, and it'll be on the list, right? And someone was saying about like it's hard to find things here. Sorry, Orihon, I'll get to you in a second. I know you're typing on Twitch. Just give me one quick second. Someone was asking about what was this thing? I forgot. I lost my train of thought. Yeah. Anyways, I'll come back to it. Someone was asking something, but I forgot. Tristanillo, yeah, it's a chair, but we haven't determined what chair. There's a lot of people in Discord saying like something steel something. I can't remember the name. That chair's super expensive, dude. I was looking at it. It was like $1,000 or something like that. I don't want to buy $1,000 chair or an $800 chair. That's insane. Particularly right now, I don't think I need a chair that's that expensive. There's so many things that could be done with that money, right? Like, buy like ambient lighting that people wanted ambient lighting. That was also there. A new headset or even a chair. Like, I think with like the cost of that chair, I could get a lot of things, right? Like, the cost of that chair, I could get like, the backlighting in the, headset. I haven't read the article on Tetherman. I have not been following Tetherman, so I wanted to get back to your question. Yeah, Firebeard. I know they can buy cheap, used, but right now with COVID, a lot of the things, like a lot of the used chairs are not there. So I gotta like really, really check. Like what quality it is. So I gotta check it out, right? Oh, cool. Thanks, man. Thanks for the follow on Twitter, man. Appreciate that. Nick Smith, I like the wooden chair. Yeah, I don't mind it, but it's tough on the back after a while. Highlander, the Immortal. First time here. Hi, Jago. How's it going? Thanks for being here. I wanted to get to something on trading earlier, and I lost my train of thought. So that's weird. Yep. That's it. So I guess I'm gonna call this stream. It's 12:35 for me, and I gotta wake up tomorrow, do day trading and other stuff. So come live at 9 p.m. Central. The stream so far has been 3 hours and 27 minutes. I started a little bit later than I actually wanted, but No, Montaro says that the steel case chair was worth it. Yeah, but that's super expensive, man. I was looking at it today. It's really expensive. We can discuss that on the Discord, guys. I'm going to sign off right now. There's stuff I got to do. I haven't had dinner. It's really late, so I'm just going to have something very light. Trading on stream? No, Norman. I don't like trading on stream. It's subject to people copying, and it could lend itself to market manipulation. So I don't like doing that. Paul D, dude, I'm about to sign off, dude. But thanks for asking. I'm not sure if we did algo today. Oh, yeah, I remember. Someone was asking like about to keep track of the coins. I got to figure out a way to keep track of the coins so it's easier to find once the stream is done. Still figuring it out, right? Anyways, thank you all for being here, guys. If you like what we do, hit the like button and sub. This is Untitled Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Sunday night, now Monday morning for a couple of you. But thank you all for being here and joining me tonight for this awesome stream. If you enjoy the content that we produce here, let your friends know, your family and coworkers. Let them know that we're here. This is an awesome place. It's gonna be better if your friends are in the community, right? Join us on Discord. We're building an awesome crypto community filled with like-minded individuals that are super cool, and they all have their opinions there. And I do chat with people there every now and then. So, again, remember all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and education purposes only. Don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas that could happen. That's why we talk about the upside and downside. Now we have an idea as to what could happen, but ultimately you only can make decisions for yourself. You only know how much risk appetite you have. That being said, thank you all for being here, guys. That's going to be all for tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Untitled Crypto. Until then.